wiem hye gina be on my airport on my ndey China aje on e airport no so it is yentimi antwi aka no dia IMF say ne nsamo a wo tete anu no wo hwe petetekra mu no sei na wo hunu etigana oboye kokko sei yentwi sika no yakwa ahoma no so na ye wo nwiafo samsedu tie kunkodi nkoma no pay na akwa wiem sachaye wontwamfonyi enkyereye mira tie ku etemeka memwache wakwapa aya jenkwa wazo 1.9 kasafidie so mira efie bokode
Adriana ba nyame adom me ho ye pa ngi samonso munyina mo ho ye
nwiafo adom binti ye ho ye pa na adura ekoyie kakra de
oh Adriana ba se wa biun emse ya o se ma o ya mo mfani die bi wa be enfi se de no ade send me no na ye kama pa na ye kama
kodwo nyame chese ye wo de sende ya manfo obi ehunu wa bisasa obi ehunu
se entini ese fani ofi a oyenu
pepe oh wira no pe ye ti o yo mun sacha se de hun subsity
yo madase na me koso adase dia na ba dia no a de sende me no nyame nhira pa ya hwe se de na so ewiem be ye na ti machia tiefo nyina na ene de meka se ensu no be hard drink akra na chese hard drink chese na no pay no on na okoto nyina drink kran ya de be si axim takra de Cape Coast offer so pompa man kasim eba half asini na anopai no ensu no be hard drink wo ho meka se if ensu we na be pija no kakra aba wona water kwa oboase omo wo Lake Bosomtwe side wo no mo o be fam akọ wona wo go so na chesa hafo nso ebe be ka ho enti wona wo friend say Ghana fin from Ayekofodia Akemodan ene importer saman kese bremasi kumanu fam wo nyina be atwifu ni ade de anopa ya no nto no besane senso we na ne ka ya hwe se nka be pen kumase ba de be bobo abedru oboase ne ho kakra na ona wo Lake Bosomtwe side one so contains important no so benya kakra enti no wia no be pie kakra na je se anwumre no ana se menka se anadwi no ye ne okuma se ene ne important so ye ne da kwan se enso no so ebibegu ye so ne nyina chi ona wo Ghana tifin fam no anadwi enso no abehyehe ho no aba be si ona wo bono east na je se ede hompopo ye aba be fa ye ne wo okuma se anadwi be se no nkron krobia no ene okuma se nso mia bi nso be tinyanya nso ne bi entenne nso wo ho Ghana fananya ya bobon nkompon ne kontin akowura June mu ti ehun se honey strawberry no to maka se samre ekobia no nso ntimi to anopa etimi to awia etimi to anyumre na strawberry nso no esomu a ya na etimi eche enti ya beboaboa ye ho esiesie ye ho na kese nso ni sane a amfa oyo na bia amre ye
na chese we na yemfa mo ye bra enete yewra
adona banye na den kwa efi na ekobia nso sam de one ye betena ntino na ya boy ho ban so afri mu afi na nso na ekọ ne pempen so pa efri wo ko na chese etiko nti efi na wa coping June ending de ye be hu anti yemfa ne nyina emo yentuma no
when me don for e bada say e na no pay wo adesua wo dia fam wo don for no nka ho udwumedi nyina mu
yes
when me don for some say duty eku na yakọ ne nche na ye na kodi nkombo ewiem sache wo twafoni e dia kire ye na abusua dwumedi bi baso a ye dwumedi a sa wo do hu timu a mfaso dia wo benya hun fam no na fam no e won kan pa we Oil Group Incorporated ana one mo edi dwumedi bi 18 team so Mountain of Wonders and then Vincia Makumakudu. Na Oil Group Incorporated. I say Vincia Makumakudu was Shamofa at the other with Trady and Ponce. Na Wakachi say what that would Trady and Ponce say Vincia Makumakudu wamanato mountain of wonders and nti wɔn bɛbɔ mpaeɛ ɔbɛda nyame ase ɔbɛbɔ afɔdeɛ ɔbɛto dwom ɔbɛdi asa ɛnɔɔma ahodoɔ pii a yɛde tuntum wɔtwa di ampɔn na dwumadie no bɛhyɛ aseɛ 1st June ekosi 4th June na ɛfiri 1st June kosi 3rd June no deɛ program no bɛhyɛ aseɛ 4 p.m. ekosi 8 p.m. na ɛda a ɛyɛ 4th a yɛkɔsi ada no a yɛwie dwumadie no deɛ yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ anɔpa nonson 7 a.m. ɛna yɛhyɛ aseɛ na nyame sɔfo a dwumadie si nyinaa soɔ ɛyɛ prophet TK Samuel ɔno ɛna dwumadie no esi nyinaa soɔ dwumadie no kɔ so okuma sɛ ebuakwa makro na Kisa Junction nkawe kwantempɔ no so ɛhɔ na dwumadie kɔ so sentire da so no oyi free odifo Samuel enwoma no de edikan ti enso ni mu dumienu ekosi dumiensa so 1 Samuel chapter 7 12 to 13 ɛhɔ ɛna oyi sentire ni free ya ɛwɔ se Ebenezer oboabo ha na ɔde na ba beju akasafo no bi Dr. Mark Amwatin USC Prophet Francis Ajema USC ene nyame asofo ma ne mema kukudam a won beba ase ebie na adwontofo de da no madika aka se adwum bebu so adwum befro asa befro pa enu nti bibi ni a frempanifo 0240187979 0240187979 0242181821 ofra mpani ebeje so Skin City Laboratorium eho ene nei yade yewede yakọ akosiesie kokọ akokọ tuntum we dey beto so ma we dey nkasa e ma wate aye dame utuntum no apa okokọ no nya fe aye wichi awiase wa ma we dey apompom fe ni nya ho sempa ebedan ye na be ka che o se ye nenso obe na eteti wo wodi abeni ye na wonkoye nku be na won fansra ya Skin City Adaroma ye beboa wo ye wo Tech Mazima ye ne affordable housing main gate and the hwe animu hon ye bie ultra modern spa e wo honom ofre 0248 93 62 97 0248 93 62 97 Priority Insurance say Brebia wo afa ono ne ko nakranda abrabo ne board no enti otwadi ampoye wadom na anya ejapade bia na de ensiachiban asi na dachi watwere no na afa ye third party insurance comprehensive insurance commercial property insurance ye bi o yatra ye mu eho na bibinia frey 0244 56 23 34 0244 56 23 34 ye wo so amemate Junction to Binko Plaza dan no agenkwa efemu no emu a na ye wo Twins Powers wasn't afford to me Twins Powers na abusuya abrabo a ye bo no ho obi ka kire wo se ewiase nda ho kwa na nka wonye ye pa adwuma de na wo yo ni yesusu anye to dwumbi ne keka yesem bi when I grow up I want to be a teacher I want to be a pilot and a boy race kura wuntimi ntwi boy race yo and usu ada so be a pilot eti abrabo ne nya simple bibi wo ho tine ye da ye tupun mu no na so abrabo no wunhunu so sikasem nkoyi adwumasem asai woju ho ba bia anya furniture abrepo broni krom Twins Powers e wo ho friend 0248 69 98 98 0248 69 98 98 ofra ya beje oso House of Glory Ministry e wo Kronoma Francho Police Station echipe e ho na House of Glory Ministry e wo Pastor George Newman one the dano and nipa bi de nyamesoma kata won money won mo ya asofo na bu nipa fa so saa ko House of Glory Ministry ho na edi nyame asem trodo krogen amfrafra wa bi anim na ebeboa wo akwasiada anopa nonkono ekosi ewiadumienu empemu ebia no ye divine service Kenya nkupo timu po ade kirew enam asem no so na wa de aba obra efiada bia na wotwe mienu so no ye ya all night and as all night empire na wode ne pa na kwasiada bia nwumre na wotwe kosi anwumre nonkono no Pastor George Newman adi nyame asem trodo fa agenkwa 101 na kasafidie so ebre wiase nya dikosi ade dru anwumre na wotwe Tripini Ajenkwa 101.9 na abete Pastor George Newman enka na nensem trodo a wodi bre wiase nya no wo so watie ebi frɛ 0549852602 0549852602 na yenyo so Prestige Electronics say enei one mo na di home appliances papa e di abadwa so TV sets if it 32 inches equals 65 efe na ye papa na no bo e wo form ye wo gas cookers home theater fridges deep freezers and ketwa ne akese display fridges for drinks washing machine soundbar air conditions ninya obenya bi oto ade we ye ho a ye che wade ye timi che kettle iron blender rice cooker toaster and as a pen drive near sama afi ba ko adantem 1 year warranty and what teach ma fabia yensiesie obi say Prestige Electronics ye wo hen ye wo Abrepo junction ship ehon ye wa ye adwuma na nekwa de ye nwuma pa ene sompa e pese ye de som Ghana fo nti ye bie atanaye no bi ewo atonsu agogo to manfo a wono mo esre so adeja feyia se kwa kosi kontanse Kuwait mudu atonsu agogo a wone adansi rural bank no ene hwe animo Prestige koto no ma papa ni bi wo frɛ no 0553319455 0553319455 0243414822 na yenye osom adusa Herbal Center was madansi ni o madansi ni wadi no miensa na abedwa so ye adusa Herbal mixture ene capsules koko na etete ho a ebesi na fini padua ni mu be ma waye mre ye kafra be ye mpegya o me ma yonu mu emfa emaw usisi ene ye oya ebekọ one time one quick wa bla de adusa Herbal mixture de anom capsules ne topa ye no oba bu nsa na o man koyi ya na no wotene empo se de wo se no mesane na nka wo de ohun so yo besima no wunya ne sa edidimu a bekọ akofo ha kese abrewo pa enunti ma wonsa enka bi ye wadusa malahep se eye malaria na etete wo untumi ni di wanumu ato ojo ho ba bia enye a wunya bia beboa wa bra ye hwemu no nunum bi obetie sikinkon na adusa Herbal ointment se wunkotodwe waposo unkasem yo ya oda sole a o se mekon asene o de sasa body de abawura ni pedwam wona wate esi no baby eton drobia ubenya bi ato say ye pharmacy chemist Herbal shop over the counter medicine accountity drugstore bawura ho na wonsa bekabi Dusa Herbal Center ye wo so ame macro Gwai filling station inside the wa ho ne yedi yekwi no pay ubetimi abaho ana ubefre 0500110115 0500110115 009824 Mami Adusa osemadanse enye onu kura yemu ana no pay yadom pesu aso tise dwedi esomwo wonu waka ne yakọ enyum no odwaton de yade beto aso amam breto obakosi twumesi Mandela woni nanama boachewa minister designate aka Maye Pintin wonu matenase de boka temsem na poso breto ba eliana ba akura fie bokode fina boka nya ko badaro de twede amponse mpanyense ade cheni ante asem fofora na yechiri kobrema west ya baby a ben baby yedi ho no nyane ntie se nura wo da so ho nura baby wasi no drube ene se no munye die ho wonya me chese ntem ho a mama no so die ho die the frap sa brand ye kokodi na bepim sa bre o mu da so ho dia na chese die ho no o mu anya sika wo pa o mu ye ntafo o ntu kwa o mu se wi ni ana se wi o mu enso aya bere na ma ene wa nana young boy. That's how we I asked him. No. Sir, we asked no, say, or how we were told so now, Kunkuana, Ebe Yankra. It be my Sitana Blabono as a funnel. Or you be I say, Ablabono, ya dear, no man, any DSC, and one corner bar. General baby any. Oh. Say, BBC the head and near the Bichinchin. Oh, tea. And Rano say, what blues were parbow. Ye need them would droop, no droop no metran, which I hear, which I yatum.
Ah, your mammy to morning.
Nitimunya din, cosy.
Yes, if I knew what your friend would, and so you will be over, you say, I'm not tea. Just would ye, Diana,
tea. No, I was she. Now, when him
say,
yeah, I fell. Unim, and they another corner would that. Nana Darko. Utun for and send ye. Yes, I am a bamboo de manopa, Yamen Canon. When you bush any. So, some to make a Oko priority insurance here. Segulin ho. I oh, tea. Yamislan.
Nana, baby, I will be a piao, and so unpaid. And I'm our home now, I have tea.
Nana, if you were for the
if you were one, I will come as a maffa. Why, because I would to it now, walk. Hey,
wake up,
I shall do crumbles. Yes, you pick me 10 when you go boss you. Now, every
wake up and why I say, wake up on
another buff from Quadibania.
UEFA champion.
Now, move.
I said,
Ghana.
Rashid Tim County, one name so
Tim Town, ja. So also Cobofana.
For the first time, or Cobofana, Tino. So could Jeffrey crying.
Debbie, I don't think so. My uncle, Mentiasi.
What you say?
We drop a blane, no vocation soon.
Rashid, dear, did this and Busano herself.
Rashid. Nay,
minimum some mood.
I want to.
What want to say? I'm a so good. And when you ever knew more about
the comfort goon.
No, I did.
Now I had the dead.
Hey,
Joe, not just say I yet the dead and so on. Nana, young Tim, I'm only Kusunubi Kobwapa.
Aye.
Oh, Father Quinty. Your fees. I did yes, too. Mentiasi.
Yapa Janseni and French Chamfun anymore.
I know you have been Peja.
The best call. And I will say, Muko, when you did. And if you said, dear Naka, the Edifia say, the business analyst and a paying what in some who don't know about a day of fire a judge who sends some at home. Now, Crata air bombman say importers and exporters. What must the Ghana Revenue Authority, your money in your crack, when the Monjuba dear should be in tea. Once so dry ya wo mu edi janga kan kromunya frimo no ase enyuma ni nyina egu nti omo srepa se adawro ma wo mo to omo ase e wonema bi mum na mampani na do dan kwagu fado ni mfo nyini da hanum sei ya mampani akasa ni nyina na ye kwan aye fa so na economy na eje nsere pihwiegu ye no ebesan so agya ne na so bi na mampani akasa ya wo twem se ebe expenditure ekwan fa so ye diskadi dwumade a wo no atutu ni ye papa pa sebe ya empo sika ya na wo behwe wurawura ba bi hwehwe fa ba bi no ebetimi esi anokwan e na afi oman resources ya ye wo ya ye ntutu ni ye no so no sei wo boni be ko ho pa aye ye na boa masika bi ebenya no atumi atena oban mu akrata de hu nsem bi aba na jusak enso eba mane ye mu ekire se fi ne de ya ekono esan wo maka twa bi hu nsem ne allowance bi ese so mo nsa kan mo nsa kan ye ntino enya de ombe kokko to dem akwakoye adwuma biom ye hu nsem krata ede aba na owura Clement apak nsumfo nyine da hanum sen ena waba mane ye a wo kire mi se IMF nsem a wo maka afa Free Senior High School hono wei amaka ne mampani jediam ho esan ye nsam dodo no aka we ho nsam no wo petre ana no pe krata de aba
Menko daily guide enso emu na onso anope ede na odi agbasane nsam ahodo dodo no a
and I'll say on my penny abedi cyber security center be a idea and no okobie and to be huno name penny for do no assembly and who you made the and hon some ever show monsa and also crater daily guide at ananim heya. Now I say NPP Gulu storm asen nof. Another by-election eba abekoso enso ho ti wo mu free ayekumawu no wan trans ya home kra na sam de wo mu dimrika okiremu a wo san besna ko asen nof na ho no so by-election ho no wakoka ho nsam ho ene ho so yenim se be flow se ne na no okira efuro okumawu no eno nso ho nsam wa ha na do danko akufu ado Ghana mampanin ena wa win space black ena wode to Ghana fo nyina anim se IMF International Monetary Fund deal no mo akono ho nhihye ye ni nyina no ye bibie yani se tankase a wo hwe ne kransuo mu na ye di ni nyina so pepepepepepe na timi enso aboa amadachi bia no se sa ko mo akache se bia ye kohia mo a wo mdo mo ya ha mepem wa ye na ye be san ko mo akopem wa wo mu be ye enso ede amayen na Supreme Court at kwasetena no mde atodwa enka nipa bi ekoped lances a wo mde be dua vi obonsam ta na no eno se da bi wo muntimi enye saade no emma obia lances emma eye wonkudua vi anate santi Supreme Court judges ena obehu se ebinum fonni enso eda house Chief Justice ono anim fonni eda ho na wase Boga MP back in court for criminal trial na chese wo hwa asin of mrashe bedwani ena samne de ne fonni da ha samne papa yese wanya no ho nso bidum tese onya no ho kra o sanse court koye na amkaka se na no disem wo de beye mrashe bedwani no enam Ghana mrakuni kwanso no ho tansa no ebi enso babeto no enti daily guide ensem ahodo ewomu doso papa enso ye ti wodi abaye nyina enso bekwa kotobi wakenkan ni nyina de womu na baby ayo de no ayo de na baby anyo de no so wodi areho enso akenkan ni saa
na krata me de etwa so eye di anchor edensam hodo no na aba na ode owura ye wono ene ba ngomasuan sam a hweso say we dutwum mfonyin da hanom say no pani bi nso mfonyin da hanom am chese fon ta na so hom na krata ebo amane se director bi ye ba ngomasuan mu a emsa hwe ne ba ko odi mu ntintiman pam na eyade a okosuku no na ware nsan abruse tam ye otena ni kurante ena tentan odi koduru suku mu hodom na se ne ene nkrofo kwekura ye humfonyini abaye nam social media videos ahodo no a ena wo chese sei ede ba de na ekoso wo ngomasuan mu tichu non formal education sector no ensem a ekoso hodom enya de eye kura kotokrata na kenkan ensem ni nyina no opetu na krata enso ebo mane ya wo stress intruders anasa wona efakoti kwan so ewuramu ewe ye nkwaye brentuo mu ekokotwa nua ese nkwaye no etumu agudi ahodo no ye hwene yempam wo mu nyina emfirimu na nsemi eyade a Lands Minister ene de Ato Forestry Commission no anim ya krata ebo ho amane sansonso ena krata de abaye a wo trese na nanu abato ye ekwaso nanu brada ye ekwaso ewekumawu no ene MPP amenyokuo no won ma dinim na won ma sanso a kire NDC nyansa ebio esanse ebehwe nimdia debia da MPP amyoko no wodum ekura bi na wasi tabletop resource ya chese mu quality wokumawu no chese eye nwanwa ase NDC dia dia titile wo mote wono mo twan ya set about commission eba be kenka national na MPP amyoko no onum IT fo ya wodum treachie no abato commission akora nyanwie ye no na wo mabo no pa ehunu bibia ya wo chese de bia no eba IT nsem de a ene na MPP wonum hurudi kan ewom chi NDC amnyoko no NDC enhwe bibi emfirimum krata de hunsem bi abam na owuramre kuduka so ena echo so wadi dombi anim ama nhyemude bi ekoso ewo Kimberley no wono na edi animu na chese ho ntutue nyina so atumi akonke anopai de anchor ede ho nsem bi abansam hodo no ka ho nanso anim nsam no yemfa wei yemfa ensi ha
menko the daily satellite ensu emu na yewura bi ena samre de watchro ede abakwamena edukuranten ena watchro de aba wosimfinchi adumi ensani ena Ghana otwede ampokwa nyankopon edom ye crude oil nanso bepem samra ye kasai ye musa oil ho nsem e wo Ghana memu ti odosoafo a wɔhwɛ ɛyɛ enyam kanea ɛne ne keke ka ho nsɛm so yɛwura napo ɔdenufo ne ababeto ha na wɔbusa no nsɛm finhyia maako dum yɛn nsansi na bɔbɔre ɔbɔ adeɛ wɔkyɛ Ghana oil na bɛpem saa mmere oil no ho nsɛm ɛno so te sɛ ɛwɔ Ghana man ɛnso emu ɛno akyi ɛna Ghana mampani abɛdi akyire ɛno a ɛyɛ Bank of Ghana state of art cyber security infrastructure ko biye ye ho nsɛm sɛnea ko wakrata dodo no atwa mfoni na waka ho ansɛm no saa na the daily searchlight enso de ne de aba ti wose ko wakrata no ubie bia kratafa etoso 9 ɛna abɛhunu saa nsɛmi enso ɛhɔ a witimi enso aba abɛka ho nsɛm na yewura bi ɛna wɔde to NPP amanyukuo ɔson kokroko wo mu amanyukuo nim ɔse kumawu akwakoto na wo mu ma no enye wo mu trimu de se bia yakodi nkunim kumawu ene ne keke kan wo sanse kumawu kra de na obi enim se eyire so paa so kra se de ya nkunim de beba sanse anya hwe no kra no NPP amanyuko no ma sabadwani na ne gina ho na teacher kwa teacher beba asonoma so kyerame ne kan ti se MP a na ogina mo na mu kɔ na makoto aba na mo adi nkunim a na mo trimu enye mo de na mum se mo won kodin bi ɛwɔ hɔ a ebre na so se asens north ena ɔsɛ mokɔ na mokɔkɔ saa nkonden no enso ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛhwɛ ne bɛfiri mu enso aba ensɛm ahodoɔ dodo no satellite ɛde aba betudwa ɛka ne amebubɔ osue enso ɛwɔ ho ne mmerenti yɛnde yɛde ne animu no ama na so akotobi na so wakenkan
yo the chronicle ena mafa yam de ɛtoa so na chronicle nim hanum say no ena wadi owura Freddy Blay ni mfo nyina to pani e bibi atwa mu na ɔne na edwom senani Emma NPP amanyukuo no na ɔsi multi-million-dollar petrol deal ɛna papa yi akasa yɛ nyina enim sɛ na awɔtwe mu ɛyade akuhudo bi asɔde yɛ wɔn ɛkyerɛ sɛ Freddy Blay ɛmfa ne dwumadie ɛnto hɔ no mo on resign ɛna ɔsi me resign ɛna nanka menya Ghana ni wɔsi wɔ resign ne ɛn resign kyena enti semre bi oho na ban betimi agina so na wode apam no de a fine yempam no na emom so ono Freddy Blay pa so resign de lalai ensi ena krata abo ho amane e page 3 1 ena page 15 page 3 8 and 15 ena nsemi nyina no ewo ho enu tikoto bi ne kenkan na Ghana Port and Harbour Authority boss yi abeye mfie kakra ni nipa bonfo bi kokun no ananu da ye na teye sa brantie bia policefoɔ nsa kan mu gidi ye se ewuo no na se kum no wonim ehu bi na no ena court ye de na kwakogina adaka mu abeto dwose estate agent bi wono sonson no hu nsam for me san se wa fiase yi a wasi akire ene abrantie a ogina court adaka mu no kasa edenti ena one no edi nkomo wonim hu bi anase wo boa matente ne akoso kratai aboho amanem na jusag ya wodom so declare se wo strike ana se kolla bi ne ho akatua nsensem bi a enkoyie wo mo nimpadifo aka ensia ganti ne wodom strike no kratai de ho nsem bi so aba na mampani be de che Dr. Laj Mahmoud Baumia wono so abo Bank of Ghana abaso cyber security alertness ho ntutua ya wodom ayem na chronicle de aba anopai
me ko de nilu Crusading guide enso emu na wase enei wo ye shankani anase kaura baabi a wo ka aseye sie bia no bomodin se obetimi ato ka no afiri ho na wanye ne saa wanhwe ya wo ka no ebefiri wo nsa Crusading guide ede ho nsam waba Jusak ensensemia enso wo ho ti wasipe clay ena akwa obehunu pani ba ko oba ne nsem pani pa so de ho nhyehyeye enso bae no ti ne se wutie na wasem e wo court a emfa ka enko court ho ba bia wo bia sanse omsu wo mo atetua ti wokọ a obesan aba ti se eye abrantie bia odene last ko to kuku na woti dua bia so edie na kutre bi so tesura na wo ma ne ho so akoko mu tem na branti chi kotre no tafri no hina no so ba no kwa obesan akono kwa nti se wo it kan no antie na afaka se wo kokoto de a ene wo kono kwa obesan aba no kwa baomia o commission security infrastructure eno ko wakrata nyina aboho amane ena wose nipa bi wo muso de krata akoma IGP sententem so no akwamu oman hene yanchi no womo enenim de ACNT womo se yanchi no koto the new Crusading guide na sibia oye akwamunia ene ne keka ka ho ni nyina no de ntia se mo hene agi pinche no ne keka ho ni nyina no wonso obehunu ebi ewo ho
yo Daily Graphic and am the sorry so na graphic abamania wa hadum say yeah was AU artist na was silence the guns ye Owura Vladimir entry down so pay we security expert and what sign se me atu edwa yeah wo bo amaniem na was say ba African AfCFTA African Continental Free Trade Area and one sensam no a say atrio akode ene nneoma eyade esunsunsanso anampodo edihu eto adwumakoi eso krate edihu nsem bi abam na obo amane se Chief Justice Enin Yeboah sese de bre na so panim wo na homigiemu ye ehun samabanti sabra wo na homigiemu yi na dwusage nsonso no ene omone no ekro sans omo so chese fi na de ekro no wodom ate atwea ni nyina ne omakatua ho nsensem bi a enkoyi emfa emma omum na krate abamane se dete bi a aba edan na dipefe se eba mental cases eye adwirimu hawo ehun nsensem no a kwa na ekosoro ente mafom da omanfo adwinuma keke kapa nunti no da bia na nsem ani kwase etie e na yetie na krate de hunsem aba e page 16 enti edian e na mpanimfo eye e de afa hum sansonso e na krate ebo amanese Justice Getru Tokunu ononsonso no ne vet no ebre aso ya wodom ehwe anim se twede mponyankopon ya adoma e chena obekwa kopiem e wo mpanimfo anim na afi atoto na no e na wo bisa ensem bi e de efa no ho ya krate e de abam na dia me de eso de shokra wa krate yenim hanum sein e na wo bo amane se wo kai Ghana fo nyina o sene yedi kan bo mo amane se bosumi wei ne de toso aduasan ba ko eduru wa wo sim card won sign and register ye no ene ye twam ya chese sim card ahodo a be ye opepe du ba ko ne ekire ye koto aguo no wode ne eka ho ebie ena kratai kai omanfo nyina se akanafo amako ensia pe na bre na aso enu tia na pe wutie mi na sim card ekura wo o register ye o Ghana card misro ko na ko register wo de sabe ya sim card dodo ya be ye opepe ne ekire opepe be du ba ko o ene ekire ye kwa koto aguo no wo so de no ameka ho ebi ensem wei afufuro bi kan na no pe nkrata dodo no a wo no de aba edwaso medam baton no e de ama edwa na ba ajeni mboaten na ompesho so se dwumadie wode atoa so
uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ye woya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
He wants. What's the wedding is it? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding, where your hospital?
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No, Monsieur Semu, whom I yeshepe. Linketa was a mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tornado. Nabas annoying.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never seen one for ambulance. No one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, that's from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many my wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na one chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, Donna. Man, you don't know.
Indeed, woman malaria and come to them. Lufat. A malaria drop a test for malaria before treatment. FDA Ashesa a dead in Kratway Ajatum say a ye.
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin fofra and yama mofani benina iron zinc copper folic acid vitamin B6 nutrient of ashimuma Foligo brama oxygen aye chuko yemuno and ye jumeji na honam no sunya hodia ehwehwe Foligo syrup the dead malt ni ewowo ni yama mofra Foligo blood bonding nutrients and so on the pama benifo only ketufo ni obi a wanyare na hotono
yankase
FD ahwehwe surgery nkwatu mu ajatum say ye Obiara Ribisa, Nida me shiva, on a payment and wasn't in Brodo. Missy Oya alternate, fatigue in a fever, and so on a pay me with pizza. Missy Oya alternate, malaria, then more general body pains, but I'm free, sick of alternate. Everything be alternate. Take off in be the ultimate, no alternate. Malaria fever, no alternate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no alternate. Weja wuna mi yao, no alternate. Pasta na lot ya, no alternate. Presented fuka, no alternate. Kaya yo you bolo dam, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo, no alternate. Malaria fever, no alternate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no alternate. Weja wuna mi yao, no alternate. Pasta na lot ya, no alternate. Presented fuka, no alternate. Kaya yo you bolo dam, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo.
Rose, Frekit run video man, maybe Sasa, I have run on assistant.
Bra, Uswa Bremo, Tanya Mankuni, a Kawari Ebre, we wait, dear, so two and you had a pa.
You did my children, Papa. I got 2 days, but no wedding yet, Russo. And
Code relief tablets, even now on Taunton. What to me, my wedding case? I don't know.
Cold relief.
Cold relief. Pepper sono kokoko. Etimi awangi tenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hunimu sonyusu ananso hunimasi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama ho ato ntemso.
Cold relief. Semensiawa enkambetra oba we musa anso moja mhako.
Awari so.
Don't know.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufonko Tobinco Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 38966. Cold relief.
A relief mentamso.
Chania Bisaheba capsules.
Madame Fieni.
Hey, and to walk watching your pan and what's the sad Bisaheba? What your sasa?
Mendia, wouldn't be. And not dear, for once, my Jiwaj, I do Saheba Messana, who come from Mamiano. Oh, my number Diwa dance. Miampa Caneno, Namis, Namitimina to Cheme, Nami Coco Yadian so teach me. May number do Saheba Messa, Nina and the Maya free.
And the sun way, yet tried you when watching. I used to see the cocoa rockers. Ah, Miss, a person crony at Martin Baby. Sanya do Saheba Messa and come
Odo, now say, dear, when you're Pomade Pow, I do Saheba capsules no.
I genie, I yan no crap. Ah, at the summary, or be to me. I just a painful. A battery I won't done for anyone I wouldn't fit to me. Kumasi, at a phone out of phone call to Saheba Center in the clinic. I was swimming macro, go filling station down where and a swam Pentecost I sold down. I feel I have a shop in the pharmacy PM. 0500 110 115.
I do Saheba, my dancing.
May there some turn over
Minia na hifa na wokwa wani abere hu sei
ko unum se ananu ya fridge amegoto ye asem ye krampo enye ye biu entim pebabi papa menya fridge papa to a be chama me
na wonte Artist Prestige Enterprise fonka
omunso na efo
ene me de asem asie ho de ye frɛ no to ade na mencha wade o to ade na wakyɛ de ade akiri rum ha de o pebabi e ton fridge papa Artist Prestige Enterprise omo fridge ahodo pii se o peketwa kese ho ne wo se ye table top double decker deep freezer omo san wo display fridge wo se fridge na grass wo animu a uhu de wo mu no ni nyina bi o
sir enya ma ya me ho
omo gas cookers rice cookers blenders TV set a free 32 inches coping 65 inches afei air condition type bia any home theaters apapapa fine microwave and a washing machine nyina bi mekane majade na ennam so omo nyoma ye papanti ade bi a obeto bia no omo a warranty san chawade
ene e wudi asem asie mi ampa so omo san nyoma nyina bi ho de ameko osisi a
omo wa Brepo Junction da bia ye frɛ ship mu no hwa na obehu omo sansu na atonsu agogo omo ne adansi rural bank na hwɛ animu frɛ 0243 414822 and 0553 319455 Artist Prestige Enterprise home appliances papa fee.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive. sorry dear fa. One kasa wo de hoa wo hu. Mo hwe me skin. Ama me sha atare a memre kra. Nyame Sure Skin City Laboratorium adepa eneton no. Ye hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. Eno ye yadewa gudu bia ewo redie nani a. Skin City pe ene betimi ye free ho. Malesma eye nan so obeye wo manim sunburn area show freckles ene nkeka ho. Eno danche ye ka bibi se acne. Acne ye pimple e bani panim. Ebidia susu. Ye wo ititosis. Eno ti wonum se na don saka skin na. Wo feel skin ne rere sa facial ye rere ho. Senior eno ye white dot ene patches e ba redie nani. Ube unso bo ho a wo redie nani na muni said ye bubu plates. Ana guidance ena keratosis eno so ye strawberry. Strawberry na kwa ye sa wudwa akokwa. Said ye akokwa nwoti ye sisimu kadam no. Ene ye wo anti-aging facial creams. Eno esiese wo wrinkles. Ema nipadua ne sane fefefe. Ene ye sa wo se wo be ware. Wo skin nye. Eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ena meka for the amount. Ene ye wo dry dark knuckles. Eno eye wo nsachi aye tuntum. Wotimu so obi ne color fe pa. Nanso ne nsachi ayi na ma. Afi ye wo dark neck. Ukwo mu say no na ye tum. Ene ye wo severe dry skin. Ye wo severe oily skin. Ena damage skin repair. When it aswasa. Eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ena meka for the amount. Facial and body waxing. Ebebwa. So wo Skin City Laboratorium achira kwan ya. Ye wa Sokware Mampo. Affordable house in Shani Mupe. For 0248-936297. 0248-936297. Opa Joso adwuma ye fo nanim tese.
Abusafo ya dama sense mwatwe ye na yaje yedi nkrato aba ha yaje nkwa 101.9 kasafidie so na yesi nkudwa yesum wei sa unimu se wo afe apem hankron aduosia miensa kutonima abosome ne da ne toso nefua aduonunum 25th May 1963 ana sabia na abibimaya won mo nya won fa ahodie eye aduasam bienu 32 ana wonum nyanya timpo ne adwenkro ba ko se yenka yehumom na yentikuo aye de beboaboa ye ne ankasa ye ho na akantete de feno OAU Organization of African Unity ana union Addis Ababa Ethiopia en wonu nya akota ase edwonsa ehihye ntiase enkrata ase na edidimu amfinhia mpinu animienu kutawonsa bosuminu ena no so Durban South Africa onmuka ase yenye no AU na say free OAU aba ye AU African Union na ububu free afe apemo hankron aduosia miensa kotonima ambosome ne da netoso nefu aduonunum 25th May 1963 no a ebesi nde ya 25th May 2023 ya enfinhia aduosia ne 60 good years enti sanka Africa kra no ye nipa enkwapon adwuma enti yanhwe mfasode be na woso ye ka ye hu bom ye senka ye bedidi ye hu dwa odi ufigana ekotogwa ye nyiseda nye oposo se de EU enmom omo eye wonmo de no ene de na afiri mu aba ene nkran panyi be bodwa na wonmo ahwe se de ensem esi etie na anopai awura no matena se tie be baso chese MTN for say bosun we ko wieye na wa on register awsem no opa atotwene opa kekem na enye adwuma bio ya ble wo mo ya ble wo mo ya ble wo mo papa on Ghana no ana de bia me kase ye ni kamafo okoka obi se ana Ghana ndi obetena sa won ko register me say ma shut down monitor for the past be 2 good months ni uju macro baby on register bi na as early as 4 a.m. na nipa te ho nipa no betena wo fi be 4 no akobo be 8 ansa na adwumayefo na oba hwe the number of hours here if you phone be si sabe na adwumayefo no be ba no kwan woni ko betimi edi ho ko betimi be 4 hours e wo ho ansa na adwumayefo no ba network nye nipa betimi afi obe say we 12 o'clock wo kwa amanatefo oko ka yesengana for bibi be enfie hunji hwe the stress ya adi ye no time is money ne ha enka ho enti we ana bigana for bibi na nke ye ana adi ba ko bo makro ba ko bo ajenkwa ye nimu ha ba ko bo police station swame ya enke enko fast but ye ba ko pe Tebia me kase ma yoni politician we nipa ponini a wonwe ne manfo ho sa aba ne ye kwa akoto a ade am obi e kwa akoye MP aba ne ye kwa akoto de am obi e kwa president ya utimi ko one school ba akopem utimi nya police station be say 5
26
yes school ba ko utimi nya police station e be say 5 nya dia to aba e wo ho but ade no a ebeboa Ghana ni a obenya ho mfaso no wo be bra uwi ye tia na ka se Ghana fo bibi ba na mote wo saa ado pese me ba kwa eni pe wo adwuma e fo mai ebi ko afi na 8 aboyi o mo be ba it is any pan ko 6 o'clock kra no a ne mfa so ko 6 o'clock 8 afi na adwuma e fo aba wo be hye adwuma ase da be na bedu no so obi ana wo saa da age no mu wi arma sa ki kanzam fo ache na busu wi so na wa encourage asif se dipa no wo ko ya ni aya ma no so wonko Ghana ye ni kamafo nanga GP agifo betu ambe ka che se o ma na ka so mbeti ti sentiade so na se wo ma na sumie so ye sumie no mu da so no nka se wo so enti o mu na kan ye so mu boa ya ba twede ya ba Ghana ye ni kamafo yeni obi a wakan asem e de amaye eti saa na tie wo ka yes wo sesan wa blabo ese de Ghana fo am ya tie ase leadership kura no faso ni so titi wo mem obi aba no abebua faso no wokọ ewura no ma anopai ye no wono mo e ba besom eye Mira comrade Nurudin akra watranse wakasa de ma NDC amaikuo no Mira Abdul Salam Isa eye trofo penyi edema CPP Americano asante mantemo betrase ena Perez na Nigeria ye Southern grassroots commander okasa de ma MPP ono so anopai obetrase na yasom na Mira Nurudin atrase die ma menko akra nchen na memusa nse fiempo eti sei akra efie bokọ die
aduana ba nyame dia ye na de fefefe enti na de achi ye na mom akana na do. Okay. Wa mani ya mamu aye bawe. To the extent say one way ya frichina edeko. Ene inna kakra we ye de ko no. Ekwa akoba se enkwara ewo school mu a ye se ye free education dia mom. Aduane mpo omunya bindi.
De na do ye nyina echi. We ye ndisi ni nti na wunhunu na.
Aduana ba enra food suppliers omo supply enuane de ma schools no. Ese every June last year 2022 ebesi ne omuntu ya wo moka na every June 2022 na de besi December 2022 no na omuntu ya wo moka no na koba ase omukọ wo mananso na omse omsere ommetua kakan no omsa pa o mache na January omsa started supply nuane but nuane na omo supply no enne akoba se from last year besi na besi omokobo ye wo banks ne de eka ho no ye dan omoka ehunsi hu nyina na enyini na no akire no ade a akwakosi ni se omo beti atua omo sesa aban na anhwe ntua wo ka for 1 year na omo supply enuane na omo ko bafa stock astati akote atua omo ko Ministry of Education akọ Ministry of Finance se omo kote atua nti se saa asem wei eba e wa bra me ne wunyina yete ha yenim se edu stage bi a enkwara na timi ko ba se gare ni nwokora mpo ne timi de ma omo wo school mu die enkwara ne bi dwane free fie ba free school mu ba fie because aduane omo bedi ne ebi ni ho enti aduane a ye supply ama wo omo wo school ni mu no na se omo supply nso se ye nso ye beti atua ene ne ye koye anase ye bae ye koye enti nye NDC asem na emom de na na do ye no ene ye ka ho asem
yate Mira Nurudin ene wate ne kara kwa ye hwe some bia IMF na kan wo se wanya wo kode ani ekọ akiri ene wode na so atoto fom ene wo hu se Ghana se ya nhwe ye ne antoto ye no ma eyia debi a eni akiri no oman ya ye friend se China ebetumi aba wo mayi mu abegye yegyapade ebi edi so ni nyina ne se yakwa abosiabo ewo ma ye friend China enchen na yekọ ya yekọ akọpẹ bosia no yesi awowa de ta fe no putum kuratra no na awowa na yekosi ye no yedi yekoko ekosi awowa yedi bauxite ekosi awowa yedi yanyinam electricity ekosi awowa sansa wo skefiri woba se debi bia no se yentumi antua ane yede yefom wo so kosi awowa yentumi antua saa aka no a China baba baje saa no ma we nya no wodi so no de atete ka ti IMF se de watie ti yemmompa yese eka no yebetumi atua ti say $619 million and Omangana Yaji na uhwemu a ekeye mako enwotwe e free 207 basi 208 and free 208 ya to aso e free 2022 e de ababesi sabre ya manugusu a make say nti ye de sa no ma no akosi awowa enu nti na nansen eye meme na make kan mete ye onyama yofo kasa o menua deposit kwa ese mfampuntu ma ye mfanje kire wo mai mfaso ni so milwa nulidin asemu yi Ghana yensumse
Adriana ba mamenchia menchia tifo menchia NDC fo wasantimo munyina na mefanchia soronko enkoma kwada so young kids efo enyinara na Adriana ba nyame anim nokure ni se ye hwe aban yi ene ne ye a oye wa aban waso a eya na emame abrehwo bi a sometimes ho dwene ho awonte ase
ade so obi anwuye
nanso menim se wo eneme ye nyina ye nim sese efidia kese ye a esi hai ye de hye wonsa se hwe so na sa wo hwe so na ekoba sa wo mfa empuntu obi mba fidua no ho a esei
okay
enti akoba se aban aba aban akọ yabo besia na besia na ye bo no ye bo a ye de ko hye ade a edi mpuntuo ebebamu enti se ye bo besia na se ye de ko hye ade a edi mpuntuo bebamu na se ekoba se aban na wo ba behwe so aye ho adwuma no de e wo so oye no wanya e de problem kese ene brey
okay
se woni MPP fo di nkomoda da ono masema mbeka kire woni se sika wo makobo besia a wo mu edika enti a yesi yesika ye ka e unsustainable no eye NDC fo ne aban abako ka no o medikan atua bi a eye 120 billion Ghana cedis enti na wo mu so eka no akoduru 480 billion Ghana cedis edeko na se sana etide a ene na kire se sa collateralized loans no watu ya ho kadada enti ensem fata se yesa aka se collateralized loan bi wo ho no wa eno se afede wa amfa amba ye beje wo enema bi afri wonsem ebiem ebra the last NDC regime efri abanwa so no ye kofa Ameri eba ye
a ba akupo asante mewura ene wa abanwa
me pa chonti men kana sen
o man nadwa
ma men kana sa ma enti aban betna o man nadwa eso no ana koba se sabre no Ameri ana yakofa aba eye BOT build
operate and transfer
okay ana ya ho adwuma na ye esi ho ana car ye de car power aba ye de all those facilities aba nti sabre no na sa na ema ni nyina anya mba ya eba ne sen na otimi de collateral obi aka se ono maka se every 2007 de besine but se ye to ye boni ye hwemu pa collateralized systems are so sabre no e yaban yi na edi mutintim
okay
ya wahana omoso omokwaji sino hydro deal edi aba a ye kwaji 2 billion na 2 billion ye di etiwa forest no ana ekosi o ekojinam na etiwa forest no de wo ho ne se ye wo bauxite wom US Geological Survey for actually ye say ye wo bauxite wo how worth $500 billion and one year de kosi awo for 15 years so wo muntu saa for magudie no na wo mfa entete wo mo eka enti se wo ye sa adwumadie no na wo mo so dia wo mo ba be ya ama wo no e wo se wo hwe se eye ade a ebetimi atua no ho ka se na ebe ya utua ka no na akoba se problems na sa ade na e wo ho se je se wo be ye adwumadie bi ni de ka na ka emba enti ye te ha na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene na do mo be ka kire se o makoy the best barter trade ever enti ye kwaji 2 billion near the 500 billion akosia wo wa former good year nkwa ye wo mineral ore wo ho ye wo iron wo ho ye wo manganese ni na wo ho enukra de nka ho asem bauxite no nkwa cost ye $500 billion enti se de sade no kosia wo wawie na se ye anyen hyehyeye se na ye be ye betimi atua ka ne easily a we ye se ye barter trade ene sika na wo de kotua ka enti wo pe wo mpo de akosia wo wa enti se ye sa ne ma no dum pempenso bi a at the end of the day ye na ye bre oman no ene bre sesi a aduana ba sesi a yete hei e wo se ye kan hunu se enhyehyeye bi aba besene akọ e ka ye different tentrede a e wo energy deals emu no e ko ba se Excellency John Dramani Mahama de ade e frɛ ne Esla e bae energy sector recovery levy e de enhyehyeye beto ho me yetimi tua ho ka to the extent 2021 no aban yi e betua e ho ka finally e ma yi free ho so se ye wo enima bi a yakwa akwagyegye ba me bisa ade we o ariana ba sa PDS ebra na yes PDS ye de ye electricity company na koma PDS na de akosia wo ama China fo ana sa bra na ne a de akosia wo ama China fo ana ye de ma PDS fo so monje ye question na mebisa
okay
se etimi ma ye electricity company ni na so de ma obi se o de eje oba ye no nko ntua sika bi mfa ma oman no wantua sika bia wasan bagigi ye sika for 8 solid mems at the end of the day emfa so ben ana oman ni enya wo so enti de ye hwehwe free oban no ho ne se okay ye wo deals we no wo ho enhyehyeye a ewo ho no ye ne yetimi aboa ba me kan sign no hydro deal ho asem unimade a ha adwene pa ade a ha adwene pa ne se ma me fa so me ha nya example emfa nkyere because I was sign no hydro deal no
okay
omo edumadi a omo so omo de sign no hydro deal of 2 billion e ba be ye eye akwan inner city roads a ewo so ame ene ne mpotemu ene some other places no mo ba be ye but me bisaw senka omo fa interchange no ana omo ye interchange ni free so ame ha nka inner city roads no ke enya nka ho anka so ame akwan adam finfin ke enya nka ho ke be ya ka ho enti sa wo ye investment na no ye investment ni such a way say ye main road no free ha de akọ ofin so na ye main road ni free ha akọ ofin so no toll wo so ye gigi ho sika ene de ye ka ho a ye betimi atua ho ka at the end of the day sa de we ya ye ka ho asem ye entimi enzi Zambia and Sri Lanka yet ho na China force omo nye Father Christmas into omo de omo kade a ene omo koje omo wiem hye bia ene omo ensu hye bia omo je afri wo mo nsem enti so saade we nyina de kan akoso in the past amaye hunu a de na esefata ne sesika bi ba oman ne nsem a e wo se ye de ye ade a ebetimi a generate sika ye de betua eho eka enti si ya anya ne sa na si ya mane ma na ayere ye so na afide ye se ye be barter trade afide de aka no kra ye san de koma wo mu a empanifo bebre sore ye ka kire se wo kwa atiwa forest ne mu a e ya de se enua species bi a ebi ni wiase da e wo ho emmoa species bi a omase atore ekora no omo wo eho no ene de eka ho emfasode a ewo so US for na be investment wo ho no ene some other institutions na be investment wo ho ana ye di so mfaso enti at the end of the day ye betena ho no maka say okay ye ma ho kwan ama China for abefa ye japade bi te say electricity e de akọ owie a waba befa niema binum a ewo se fata senka ye nnuma ene de mai na saban we pede a ene enka yenya ne simple krai see $600 million aba it is $619 million ne yaka ho asem ne ene ge ngotu yaka na nka no anu no but aban we nye na dwene se obe solve problems the problem ni na ne se o ye de ebema oman no afa oye ne emu eno na ye problem as of now kenya sa party aka sa de we ya ye ka ho asem until this time no e was nka aban we timi aye nhihye ye papa aye be hunu se okay besia na ye boy aye de collateral ekosi so sa collateral na ye de kokosi so no sa ukọ bank mpo na ukọ gi sika free honom na sa wo de collateral kokosi ho no wantimi entu ya ye gifiri wunsem etina at this time ye expectation kampuntu juma binu mo bekoso in those fields se na ye be ya ye betimi atua ye ho aka ade ba ko a problem say ye cocoa sector enso kra ye ka ho asem no yet oban mu hatimi nya cocoa to the extent of 1 million metric tons yɛtena hɔ no mu wie yɛ nya 1 million metric tons aban a wɔatwa mu free soɔ no na yɛnam 960,000 metric tons nanso ɛnɛ da yi yɛnim baabi a yɛnam mpo fi sɛ kokoo no hyia na yɛhyia aseɛ enti sɛ yɛhyia aseɛ na sɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so no ntwa yi a ɛno nti na ɔmo korɔ ɔmo focus nkɔ kokoo sector no so kɛse paa ɔmo concentration aba abɛdi yɛ electricity ɛne those other sectors a ɔmo nso betumi anya sika ɛwɔ hɔ nom no nti the first ade a yɛ expect of aban ne so ɔbɛkyerɛ yɛ the policies a wɔde agu akwan mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ saa adeɛ wei ntimi nsi me maka ho asɛm so many times sɛ IMF sika wei a ɛba no ɛnya adeɛ a ɛde mpuntudwuma bi ɛna ɛbrɛ yɛ $600 million per year na sɛ yɛba betua saa sika yi ama yɛ for a 3-year period at the end of the day $750 million aba yɛsɛ ɛba bɛte yɛ CD to dollar ratio ɛso yɛnhu saa adeɛ no enti sɛ ɛkɔ sei na sɛ egu so a ɛkɔ sei na aban ne ntimi nkyerɛ yɛ the path a wɔdi soɔ anaasɛ the guidelines a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛno ne kwan a yɛfa so adi loans a yɛagyegye ne deɛ ɛka ho na yɛ collateralize no ɛkwan a yɛfa so atua no nie na sɛ yɛgyae ne yɛte hɔ nom a ne yɛtumi ka kyerɛ sɛ tɔɔ nyinaa yɛtwam enti sika yɛbɛfiri hɔ nom aba a na nka yɛbɛtumi de atua aka bi nom no yɛtwam yɛte hɔ nom a ne yɛaka kyerɛ sɛ masa nnwuma ahodoɔ binom a yɛyɛ nso so banks ahodoɔ bi ɛwɔ hɔ nom a yɛgu no yɛwɔ hɔ nom a ne yɛaka kyerɛ sɛ te sɛ yɛyɛ saa adeɛ wei at the end of the day a yɛbɛyɛ dɛn ne yɛtumi atua yɛ ho aka enti it's a matter of
enti asa ɔma no yɛte saa nsɛm sɛ yi a ɛha adwene
kɛsɛ paa deɛ bɛyi nti ne yɛbɛtena hɔ nom sɛ okay yɛma wo 25 years anase yɛma wo 10 years anase yɛma wo 5 years loan wei a woba bɛgye yɛ no fa kwan wei so ne tuatua ho ka ne yɛsɛ yɛnyɛ aban yɛ bɛtena so almost 7 years now te saa 7 years no enti nhyehyɛeɛ papa biara ni hɔ nom a na saa loans na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtua ho aka no yɛbɛtumi ayɛ aban ne se wɔn atua NDC aka ne aban ahodoɔ a aba atwa mu ka of 120 billion no dadadeɛ a ɛne ɛba ne sɛn yɛ sɛ aka kyerɛ sɛ collateralized loans afei deɛ ɛba abɛkɔste yɛ electricity ɛne yɛ cocoa yɛ gold yɛ mineral ores a ɛwɔ hɔ nom nyinaa ɛba ne sɛn ɛne ɛtumi kasa sɛn
ɛtumi si fam no
eti misi form no me kan sɛ nea me anim no kure ni aban yi deɛ we lose focus like oni a clear path a wɔde kyerɛ yɛ sɛ sɛ ne yɛ ba at this time a yakɔ IMF no ɔmo nkan hunu sɛ IMF nso mfa sika ma wo kɛkɛ na ɔnka nkyerɛ wo sɛ gyae na yɛ deɛ wo pɛ bia so it's a high time so ɔmo bɛtena ase na ɔmo adwene sɛ kwan ahodoɔ bɛn akwaniasa bɛn so ne yɛbɛfa a yɛbɛtumi atua saa $616 million wei sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛ gold ɛne deɛ ɛka ho bauxite nko atumi ma yɛ $500 billion na sɛ yɛte hɔ nom ɛwɔ atiwa nko a na sɛ yɛbɛtena hɔ mɔma bɛgye bauxite of $500 billion awie agye yɛ gold reserves ɛne deɛ ɛka ho ɛne deɛ ɛkeka ho a mo focus na ɔno ɔmo nsesa no the focus should not be say yɛne Alistair Matthias area Ghana sika yɛwia gold yɛtu gold amana smuggle free ɔman nim na yɛwia a yɛde sika bi no wɔ hɔ no ma yɛde contract mana yɛde 20% ato so ɔmfa 5% ɔmfa 15% nto yɛ hɔ ne yɛn disburse that should not be their focus but their focus should be say ɛkwan akwaniasa a yɛbɛfa so atua yɛaka ne yɛayɛ mpuntudwuma de ama ɔman no. That should be the focus of the MPP as of now.
Mira Nuruddin ana anopei yate ne kano Nana J Perez watrase ma menkɔ ne nkyɛn na memusa nse fie mpo ɛti sɛ nana akorafi ebɔkɔ de
adom ahweye hoden papa
okay
yidi sɛ wonso hoden
wadonfo no wo ho yɛ mɔbɔ yɛ wo ho yɛ mɔbɔ yɛ ho yɛ ansa yɛ ho yɛ
what news no
news bay
was me know you trend pa
I will find
trendy was it trend pa
sa
must me know you can send me wahana trend papa
e manana
masemu say be kasen bi so one mama be kasen your mama wanted what was that video
me mama be kasen your mama wanted
and I was going to be say now one time pena obresa
asa
trend pa trend
I'm for what daji pa
we may get some to come
sa o ma say twa boy
oh yes the ene musu krane no more Na ye no mo. Eduana ba.
Yanhwe ensem a IMF kyese wanu tietie mu a Ghana da bi yanhwe ya ni entibi ntwia ye ka ye de China. Enoma ho de de esi awo nyina wo baba be de edi so. Asem wati na wo se na wo so
Mame enchia pa menchia chairman odeno ho kwaku apia kuka. Mame enchia no baby bia o menchia party mpenifo ahodo mo eyemantemu ha. Menchia obibia. Na fe so menchia Professor Peter Chumesi, the National Sports Authority boss. Ene ono na nadaroma stadium okrom hanum nyina sports facility ni nyina no wahwema kama. Na party ni so bia kwanya na obekọ Mankran support team which is our no southwest.
Okay.
Prof beko hono. Nti okoho so a mesrese ahine to an for se du ha mama yenye no adom. And afen so and dey prof birthday.
Okay.
And dey Professor Peter Chumesi birthday. Nti and dey prof birthday no. Ma yenyina agenko akasafide so. Na me wish Professor Peter Chumesi a happy birthday. Mesre onyamesha enkwatenten ahoden wom ene sika emfa emma no pa enen ye na wode onyina so yankopon enyina so na onfa ma no nkunimdi abotre ewo ye afa no ye southwest.
Okay.
Ye wish prof a happy birthday. Mamchia Mr. Komnado Amankwa PC ono so ye de beko Mensha South. Mami enchia no pa wo baby bi ono so ye de ewo na drew a Mr. Delegate si ahine to ahine for say moma yenye na dom na yemfa ne ye de embra menchia Mr. Akom on the Central Front place so say we ofan constituency.
Yeah, ofan constituency.
Num ye no ye be call elections or primaries no. Ti Mr. Akom be call Central Front place e do a Mr. Party for MPP for delegates say moma yenye Mr. Akom so ayede adom Dr. Benasanti manchia no na ga see o manchia no pa Eduana ba
Mira
me hu some news ayibi enenam mframem say China for ebe fire dey en good ne en de badia yeah on say na de je yasa atro we no aya na me
enya no kure on
me pesa ade so to say atro na to say tikrum ha certain media houses bi no ayo madwen so mo de omo nka no kure nya de enchira manfo no nemum de biara da yebegu aban nanim ase so to say
okay
yebegu aban nanim ase ne etwa trato aban no so saa esansa aban no eni kamafo eni eye ofase obeke bia maniti de bia yenye de enkotwa tronto aban no so
okay
na yemu bidie aban ne ye ofase ena yesusan wa aban no mu bi no yebeka ye nwoma ye de
okay
nji so wote sa news so enenam social media so say China for ebefa Ghana for omo bauxite omo fence cocoa omo electricity sansem ne nyina na enye no kre bo sansem ne nyina
no kre bi anim we MPP ni nti na ase no kre anim na na
omo sanse IMF say free SHS no yen review meba ayesa no mzane na muka is it
kujo ponkroma neka
a friend saying
kujo ponkroma so boa
kujo ponkroma kan in the year 2022 say flagship programs na hold on you be review so that e be effective so to say but in some aninam from him ever this collateral and sansem ho ever yen asset na ho no aban ni state ni clear say enya ade a ye be default e ma China ye dey aba be fa ye bibia o
so say nya no correct
yes this is the IMF
it means say it means say we default there obaba be fa ko yes sir say IMF on cars wo ba be fa o
IMF asem na enu ni enhance safeguard our a friend saying paragraph 2 or say collateralized debt entirely held by China account for only 2.0% of external debt.
Okay.
The external debt, China then is 2.05%, 2.0%. TA. Or say this corresponds to 4 loans agreement.
Yeah.
Signed in 2007. You kufado. So no person paint picture na chere Ghana for.
Senya no ko bi ka ho.
Signed in 2007 to 2018. It is Nkeku Fado ne ekoko sign sa loan na. Sa ke betro no from 2017 to 20 something. Beboa. It means Nkeku Fado aban no bronye de. Onim ho ma.
Ti eno nko a.
De ye ka meba. Nemu de ye ka ne say. Yes, governance is then.
Continuity.
Iti oba de wo ho no. No baba be. My painty picture no. E fan ko share Kufuado say Kufuado ba he wakwa jig China for Bosia. Aye baba be jig Ghana for assets. My painty picture ne sir. This media house is mu bi omo yes ade na. I am until wo say. Na ye di tagi near the nam social media and so and China be first say China be fake news.
Aso one tia de ba be fa ko.
Abai ba ye ka we tia ya sam keto.
Okay.
Iti wa wote sansam ni bia e ka fa and China ba be fa ye sika China. Me se mo sansam ni ntungu. Anya no kre. IMF document ni kura mi. Waka say this corresponds to 4 loans agreements signed in 2007 to 2018.
Okay.
That amount to $690 million.
Okay.
It is that loan way $690 million. Emia yenia in the Hini box site in Kuano, sign the show. Okwetiwa, sign the show.
Namudi Bayeti.
Yaba Ponica Crampo Chiazaga.
Mudibaye.
So be our back Kazans the Bibian. I am in 2 months. Never go, baby. We share me, I say China for Baby Fire, Kuku, and Yano crack. Satrono Mediu Crum, Achana, and Munis Antron in Frio. Just at the puppy Biaba Crum, yeah, Baba, and Abba Super, hey, na media house be. No, I could fat a friend saying, as some bonny idea about a tomb. Then this phone so soon, near the num, near share. Then there was someone can crack. Musumu can kind mukra document in me. Yen I cra document in me. Munchra baby document in a cultural befe China for Baba Fireball site. Ever for you good. Yes, answer no more can. Ebio Ebianaba. Uche IMF was them more. On says IMF say free SHS no yen review Nadia and the Ensemble. Hey, document in the Grammy. IMF unka baby
okay.
Someone review free SHS. Nemo Ghana na yaka chom say yes. Ye jitu me challenges here then. Nti ye be yen sachra ye bi so that free SHS made ebe gina brane. Enye IMF we na be ka chom say de Kufuado aye no. Fa this friend saying free SHS. One of the best policies.
So Omason as Asaka say poly targeted. In aspect of when in one breath, enrollment there, almost say number
what documents in me?
Oh, what you consider me
on education. We share a TFS the topic now say poverty reduction and social spending in Ghana. So what I say. In education, or say Ghana spends close to 4% of GDP on education, with good results in terms of enrollment, but poor learning outcomes.
Yes, say no.
TNE, or say the flagship program, Free Senior High School, which covers the full cost of secondary education, has helped increase enrollment, but it's poorly targeted. Key identified areas of potential improvement of education spending includes strengthening the primary education resources, better teacher training, and stronger
performance-based funding practices.
Iti wakachiro, wachiro, baby ahede, the scene to ahede. Government no so already akacho say means na yede me hu sade it may review so that
since when abanu hu say sade ma we a challenge because all this one edu baby kura no your friends stakeholders ni bi bemu a na ekwa yesa ase wo pese wo esa abanu program ani dwumadie wo say wa credit aka nananom bi aka even amanyofo bi kura akeka enso na mo twen dawe e wo ho
this free senior high school I buy our challenges.
Okay.
A shall say they buy in 2017-2018 our challenges.
Okay.
The government nampaba government can say all the challenges no matter
are resolved.
It first a shall say the free senior high school buy na accommodation very very challenging. The government fat on the hustle. On get fund community bo. Other agencies community bo.
Okay.
And making sure say schools now for all these senior friends free senior high schools no. Meshe na me dim puntu nyuma ede akono. It's aban so antenase. Accommodation ye challenge ba akono. Aban no call all out. And now all the senior high school for free senior high school no. Me no ka say. E dey na way. Aban ameki project ahodo ho no.
Okay.
Ebi wo hokra ma complete, ebi wo mkro so ma free, free senior high school. Ashanti region has it. You almost 12 schools so ma free this double track and sense so.
Okay.
You almost 12 schools. One typical example, a chance for president maybe odin headmaster.
Okay.
Omo free side double track and so obi catch us a free senior high school no any challenge or obwa. Challenge or honor. But I buy the brand piano or review a day and near my bed
review Chelsea.
Oh, and yet John Mahama review review and the echo.
Say it is same spelling and the same pronunciation.
Yes, but a moment thinking no you different.
Okay.
What did they mention?
What's your analysis?
A moment thinking no different.
Okay.
Because obi to me can't tell say free senior high school never year just 20 years time. Now when you are coming sanity and me catch say free senior high school no nyansa kure nim say the free senior high school ni beba. Or say it is unwise to implement free SHS at all cost. Do Mahama ne kan ye me na neje na me kan. So what I say it is okasa asem we kire wo. Say nyansa nim say the free senior high school beba. Now we catch him say on only review no the canibia.
And the loan also say go to contract and also
2007 ebepem 2018 me emphasis am person Ghana for ehunu and then say enye Akufo-Addo aban na akwakoje for loans no me na de me person Ghana for here loan oje yen IMF asema wokan ye no oka tell say Akufo-Addo agi loan 2017 friends Ghana ntumi ntua friends omo from ntumi ntua ye di bibi be de e ba kwakosi ene mu IMF kasa asem no wanka wo mebo a ite ye den na odis had tansa we kokobo Akufo-Addo but Akufo-Addo aban say mean default so 600 and friends say $19 million dollars no we will pay to bianca na komanto ne yem. Unlike the microphone nama, omo ha woman. Unless say default. And me person me.
Obi bo abeti kemi bia cha mo ni aba ho so.
Eduana ba. Me to wasepa. The me can say. Me emphasis no. I me person the Ghanaian people asantiti ase ne say. Akufo-Addo nkoji loan bia. Eye 9. As a yentumia China dachi no much made, much maba fire nyoma, Akufo-Addo nkoko yes ade no. But Akufo-Addo betoye, nemom de Akufo-Addo aban kan say, ye be make sure say, san konko do samre no, na ye tue say sika ne nyina awie. That is what I me pese Ghana for ye de. Etiase.
Okay.
Unlike say, the encrophobia nam ocean news headlines na. Almost say China ebe fa. Mebo akata me se mebo. Media houses be yes hanomoka. Presenters be I want to think cry. I want to meet someone another be or my baby in I or Moyano. And yes, handsome no more TV so any radio so more kaki. A moment in social media so and yet the same thing no more moka. But a monk cannot crack. I won't person more 2 foot good Ghana if when you on person 2 foot good Ghana, no one person met the Ghanaian people. Dear, I am a Voneka. eti no mo said akasa sense China for be fire bauxite e ho be fire good ye electricity revenue ni ade ni nyina nkofo ne ba befa mon kan okre media houses bi okroma mon kan okre
ade na no pay media houses
yes because some no mo dada Ghana for me see me ko be bi
and the media for ne dada Ghana for
me see nkofo bi e wo media ni mu so ta say mo titi sankra ni on social media ne so mo di satro no eno na me pese the Ghanaian people no ye ete the war IMF document ni mu from 2007 meaning says sika ni nyina na da ho no nyina no NDC fo nyina baba be use say sika no e dey your project Akufo-Addo na ebe hu amane ade na e dey kwakoshe Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo akwakwakodilo ade na e dey kwakoshe no tese Akufo-Addo ni di nye denti bibia ono no sense sense mo ne se no ono nti ya fa nkonkoshe no but tese so mo nka no krenti so mo nka document ni nchire Ghana fo bibia sasika na e dey efri a e baaye eti ediana bay yes governance continues na nado danko Akufo-Addo government no onhwe se obi ma mefa o bauxite emra ka bi yede e da ho oba make sure se sa payment no be yede obetua na ka yefa nse famra normal yikura o kwa je FNZ 3 billion yede IMF o de China ka $600 million say $600 million aba and pam no cham no and na $600 no grandma
okay
if you are coming to our normal thinking near there so friends me kwa jisika we say man first sika we am my friends saying mo ba be fam ade we and say sika no say makoje na menye yusu and monye na say monye de en fa na say
okay
if you come to die you know but yes na ebu man so to say it the ede aye no you be make sure say ehun sika and ehun faso ne be de ebeba so that ye dey repay a yes loan no it me anopay me na neje me emphasis ne say we Ghana ni na media house bi ye anopa uni ago na oteso wa chima ama ne baby ye yegu so to say wa tie mu ama ne baby yegu say China for be fa ye China for be fa ye ya sa woni akono nka no kre enye sa
nti causing
also
fear and panic
o man crofo no yema hihye say China for be fire sa na mo me pese ka meji e friend saying headline ni bi ye den e kire wo and some mo kire wo so na yasem ketwa it would ho a ubo say every blessed day we aban mu nipa na crofo afa ho time and ma kwa yesei and ma kwa yesei ade ne so nya no kre ade ne so nya no kre so ta say it yen kam kre yen kam kre kakra eden e wo krom ha se na NDC fo no bi so akotena tena radio so they said me na ekra dem say why no dem say and they why justice kakra am say wa kan kre kakra so ta say
ale won kan kre
oh say na ono na they wa kan kre kakra so ta say no kre kakra wa kan say wa trem say yen friend say no kre wa nka no kre wa
because
first time na bay then I was saying ka we I was say ka wo ko tu baby a asem ne dey every 2007 no kra wa nka enti na me say wa ka no kra kitu e bi won chan won ka no kra this for sa won ka no kra we dey asem we ya bay wo be hu say John Mahama be fa na wa ka ho asem oba be fa na nsen a na wa ka ho asem mmana so asem no enye no kra iti anopai asante MPP for obibia Ghana for obibia otie se wote asem we se aban no anase China aban ba befa Ghana yen good yen electricity sales revenue ebeba any other nneoma bia na wo yem je wo prama ka wakoma to yem enye sa na asem ne tie
kwa kuma to yem
China emba mefa Ghana good bia emefa ECG bia nemum tro ankrofobiti krom ha omaye omadwen se ade papa bia ba aban no ne ebeboku dewura no makofa bodwuma ba betale ho na asay aban ni din ewo krom ase de mabunu no nka magoma dum yem propaganda na wodi ti social media no so omo share flyers sa media houses ni yehu omonim na egu ase no
Nana J. Perez ena wate ne kano wase we nyadia ebeboa yanya boafo nka to ni emra ye pa ye beto aso
Once. What's a wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa.
Missy, Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding were your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. No Missy Semu whom I yeshepe. Linketa was Mikuni. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tonodo. Nabas no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never one for ambulance no one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle. Hey, no, nothing from Kakabo. No, kick. Sometimes. That's right. Nearest farmers. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na wanter. Mukuno china nenadi. Abrante pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't.
Indeed, woman malaria and kawon to them. Lufat. Malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesa egede inkrato ajatum se eye.
Abi national lande afeya beja cash na bedwa afi na madwuma no be koso ankasa bema na wo inflation achini fa botom se potos no anyway ni age saaro ade we loto bi ana masa choko ya uhia sisia ne Abi national unia abi dien ani eye Abi national sika krabia foforo wode oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wode ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti even me wo Abi national for you omo we dum kejeti haya woni ajakum dan na di ntwa ni mu chale na odi mrika kwa he only me how do you know my problem enti ko Abi national krabata bi e ben wonne na hunu sika krabia mu sompa se wo nsembise bi a frensesi a e wo 0322 002 922 Abi national basum giesafo a e wo sika kra mu
Eyo radi yayo mimudi odo enua ne bikunu enku sei enye mekunu nka no pe mecha woda medi papa kofo besi ha manum bi enkode nyina num bi amye we nyina ko woda so bowa waso odinti wosi den enti to Binko Pharmaceuticals kofo syrup awadia bai enti wonti ye wo kofo baby enkoda ntotofewa ebo wo mo ebra wo bowa na kofo child nenso de enkoda enyu no ebo wo mo won bu ahyehye wo mini mu a esie etu asie kra na kofo adult de empanifo de no na kofo family wo padudu etu akoto Binko Pharmaceuticals se wonam kofo nansa na wo hu antowo a ko hu doctor kofo syrup sadia miri di ho dansie die masom se
FDA say jidin kwatu mu ajatum say ye
anti-pharmacist me fiefo nyina tipa wom na nsonson ye wom kakra ne se me yiri tipa ye no kata ne hwene nyina sisi me ba no nso honamre waye se boho na me die asmani tutu agufom e dia soro bin bia be ja me so a edwa me ga na wonhwe me fie die hodi no na me yiri nso fie die eye dutwam nti we se emfiri fie a wodi emfiri ba bia ade a na ni aduro bai
David ora tipa ye de wabadwuma mu se pharmacist no me hu bia enti to boase o wife tipa ye na ase kata aka ho good eno obehia entramodi ana wo so bane tipa ye nso amana ye mbre okay eno obehia entramol ankasa ana wo de no nso wo se edwa ga all right that is tension headache or migraine okay wo obehia entramol plus with the J na no fear for no said the matrama will no pepe.
Entramo D, ni Entramo Plus no. Enyagro, e tuti payasi de kude. Nti se ubet na ho. Na etia power there. Ene wa wasa.
Ebia hwe se adwedie nkratu agya tum se ye.
Uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ya woya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
Abujafo era mase se watwe ye ne age adwedie nkrato ha ya agenkwa 101.9 Nuridin ya nhwe yɛwura kodwo opon kromase ono na yesoafo a wɔhwɛ nkrato so say all the 16 flagship programs ni nyina no including free SHS will be reviewed asem a wɔn aka kyerɛ IMF no no edanchenia one district one factory, one village one dime, one district one warehouse, agenda 111 and Nicole Minini and na me busa na eje say review e say was mu review no de a different from NPP review no e dey na SNT all the government system flagship programs now okay bibi e ma na ye me wanwa esan ye me de say afedi e wo mo hu o say abana the one Ghana city kwa wura baby a e wo so nya value for money that bay and as asem we e buy Mira time be no and eji ade na wo se obi di ade asende me a obi di ade asende me a wo so sleep
called the Republic of China na oba ye no after 4 days and oba yes or call China for 4 days oba be dru ye no and oye this statement edo dwa say June 25th 2017 say omokoji loan of $15 billion e China for e move 4 billion there and na wani mu ano na eba enti se obitina ha na oka kire wo se aban wei na na do dan kwagufo ado ne na aban enka sa kana ye ka ho asam se 2007 to 2018 na sa 2017 ka of 15 billion na ye ka ho asam no and we free hefa enti se sa aban wei ne nkrofo e kan sem bia sometimes e ya na emu e me rem kakra e ya no kure se oman no yesi yentimi ntua yaka eno nso enti ya mayaka so free 120 billion to 600 billion na yeguso bobi kan
eti o say China commit $15 billion to Ghana's economy. Dr. Bawumia.
That's right.
The Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, has announced that the government of China has committed $15 billion worth of investment to Ghana. Dr. Bawumia pointed out that Ghana was able to secure the commitment due to new financing model signed by the economic management team.
That's right.
Speaking to journalists after returning from a 4-day visit to the People's Republic of China, Dr. Bawumia stated that there is an outstanding $4 billion deal that will be concluded soon.
That is the issue. So about way by year 2017 now, and what shall see in China.
25th June 2017.
That is the issue. It is a bit that's no catch was from 2007 now. IMF for can was ebabesi 2018 no.
But my visa na Jesus central phobi.
Enye central for asem and IMF na nkasa comment wom. IMF document na wakan ye no was IMF say every 2007 to 2018 enye sa and I made this story amawa so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na nkasa kan kire yen say wo makosan a 15 billion loan. It is a sunny ama wenu e wo ho. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was it 4 billion there ebeba soon because of my ho bibia wie. Enti say wakase ye be sign 15 billion. Na say emu 4 billion ebeba soon because ye hu bibia awia. And when they say, let us buy na go 4 billion from China from 2017. What two na money we? Ah, what should I say? China committed 15 billion there. Nanso says, me pacho nya botre. O kasana mete ha o. O kasana mete ha. Enti nya botre. Why? Nya botre metiefo. Nya enidie kakra metiefo. Enti no, o se o ma commit 15 billion. Na emu 4 billion there. Ya ye bibia awie animanimu ya eba. Now bit na baby no catch say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo aban ne enka ho bia. It is onim de worker. So this is something I'm a person medical clear quickly and sana ya toa asem no so. What me abobesia from 120 billion. What could do 600 billion. Egu so bobesia a ye hunu de ye hu baby ayede ye hu efa. Na ye hu enti yes ye debt unsustainable yentimi ntua ye ho aka enti na IMF na mo se wa wo beka se yenko IMF bia wa bodam na afide makọ mo ho no so mo nkogo kire mu nyansa na mo fa mebu man sene abronya esikan ye no so when it goes in that tangent ye expect say obe fa obe tu mfuturo agu ye ni na yenko sa free SHS asabi so ene flagship programs so upon kroma honorable asama waka kire ye eya asama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba ya obeka say free SHS na ahead of 2020 oba obe review no MPP for dictionary kire wo mo say review kire say cancel betwam enti wo mo bon hu dede eya hu dede e kansema enim wo man yimu ha said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say obe review free SHS dia kire say obe cancel enne MPP for cha e kan kire say nye na kura no mo sha ase e kan kire ye say ye be review free SHS no mo sha ase e kan ya che na je say wo mo so wo mo be cancel
da bi o mo say mo kan mo review ni de adwembone twon na tech
na ye kan obi o wa adwembone a o san MPP aban ho na na do dan kwakufo do ba o mia ene na pamfo we ho a o san koka adwembone bi Utimin cardium bonnet for baby abim. She says, see, I want one cassa document or cayeno. Mamma Radium bonnet bako. One cassa document or cayeno. What can mammy who say? Free SHS no, a funny pardon. No mum, so woman be Pierre free moon. Woman young fasu dear biara and from Mao Mino. And only I shall say
the end resource, no
end resource, and this will be Pierre Banon. Enti, opim so cassassin which they say. Sa school free SHS ayeye ye fa nipadom bebrebe nanso nipadom bebrebe na ye fa no ebe wiase no omo nyamfa so obi mfa mma wo man no fi say end result na nye papa enti obi asama wo kan say yenhwe the quality of free SHS na ye ka ho asem sesi ya no first ni ya textbooks even from the primary level ya textbooks JHS level ya textbooks SHS ya textbooks sese mu textbooks bi entina akwara no odiniti pimpim a enne yasese curriculum for about 4-5 years now enso curriculum a yasese ni nyina akire no ye ni textbooks a ye akire se eno na ye the prescribed textbooks akwara no fa nsua de entino odiniti pimpim a no akwa akopɛ bibi no watana ho akan kakra okopem ma duru ha no akopɛ kakra and all that enti wo kire ya me hunu se e was ye starting free primary level no ni ye hwe wo no ma de wo mo ba IMF futu o ka anya IMF na de futu o ba o aban na ankasa say system ni wie ye no no ankasa de ne flagship systems na kwa kire wo mo se yen ya gya to mu se ye pese reviews ani ma we nyina enti IMF de won share wo wan kasa na wa homegrown policies na wo de akwa kire no ana wa kire se emrewafo ne nkokorafo sika metena so no watena so wo tena so wie na ase free SHS ne de ye ka ho nyina ba review ene enti obi ka se me review no a yenhwe quality ni de ka ho na kire se counselor ene da de enkyere se counselor na the performance ono ana de a wo kan yes performance na ankasa nsusu kra nya papa enti se ye do go to school mu na se yesi ya fa school mu nipa dom ye de mako go school mu hokeke de edi kan ye ma wadesua papa bi a wo pia free abonten a obedi so mfa so anza na wo performance a wo de pia abonten no so enye papa
enu na me bisa say initially no all the stakeholders na do no a can say yenya de ni abano enye cost sharing awofo mfa bi abano emfa bi the credit ka nanano mo ka if ya abemu panifo bi mo kra yewura ke no furi atam ke ka asansem we nya sabe ni ana abano wonte ana
aban no ono obom mfi tadukuo onfa hone de wo beka na bonten de wono ankasa pese oye no oye na so wo wie a ansa na wa kire o safe de mawie na sika wo spend must from 2017 to 2021 must spend 5 billion in free SHS 5 billion in free SHS ana wa ban mufo your finance minister you work no for the attack kire wo se me de metimi atua me made wo se me mpene enti nsa wa ban mu fu okura aka asem na so wuntie wo bom mfi taduku a bede na nkode ekoi ahyase no besi 2022 a ye de bewura 2023 ye mu aban yugo so ka kire se nkwara na tweo enti ye nyina ye gitu mu se free SHS na ma nkwara na twa afide wo ko IMF ho de e ho de ye ntwantron de wo so de no kora bi ko kire IMF se sa nkwara no ye de omu kogu free SHS ni mu wie no mu pia ba wo mu hunu hwe tipon koso fo nkwa na de ba begu abonten wonu na akoka enti at this stage na se saa nneɛma wei kɔ so nkwara no de ɔmo kɔ go school mu na sa wo se aduane ɛyɛ problem na nkwara no nya aduane mpo a ɔmo bedi na wɔkɔ na wɔba na at the end of the day ɔnya concentration ɔde besua deɛ even besides say woman the textbooks curriculum about 5 years ni a woman mo books ɔmo fa nsua deɛ ne deɛ ka ho no wo san ma kɔm de akwara na ɔbɛde no atena se osua deɛ ebi na wɔn supply nnuane ma free SHS for no wɔn says hey yɛn so yɛ tie atua fi sɛ 1 year ni aban mfa ho sika embrɛ ɛnu akyiri yɛhwɛ the other flagship programs free SHS nkwa de yɛ ka ho asɛm kora ka yɛn wie fi sɛ schools ni bi wɔ hɔ no ma awofoɔ na keka wɔn ho abom ana agyegye sika de akɔ sɛ yɛn fa ma saa schools no sɛ na bɛ wɔn betumi yɛ fidi wɔn mma no ɛwɔ hɔ no enti sɛ saa nkwara no fa saa yaka de wei mu a at the end of the day obɛde no anya end result papa wotumi nya end result papa bia ɔsɛ schools ni bi wɔ hɔ no ma ɔmakɔ akɔyɛ baabi a nkwara no bɛda nyamea nim no kura ni aduanaba metro challenge fa wɔ cameras ne kɔ schools ni mu kɔhwɛ sɛ ɛte sɛn hwɛ wowura schools ni bi mu a ɛkyɛn kwayɛ wowura schools ni bi mu a baabi a nkwara ne da na awerɛho enti sɛ obi tena baabi obi nka sɛ wonyɛ difo wombu a kakra o ɛwɔ kwan biara so o sɛ wosi dormitory baako mmienu a membɛka nkyerɛ wiase nyinaa sɛ masi bibia aban we bɛtena ha aban we bɛtena ha bɛka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ obesi 350 secondary schools from the scratch emu sɛ ne bae Ananado Danko Akufo-Addo canon na nsuo na gyina nanum na oni manifesto no ho asɛm na wɔka Ojina simpie so a work as assembly teacher say Messi 350 secondary schools from the scratch while developing the other facilities in the other schools no. Sabra na nsuo na gina nanum. Na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na just Nana Danko Akufo-Addo wa bon onim ne manifesto mpa wa de ba. Enu nti na oka nsama any manifesto. Etisi ya kasa asem wei na wotena ha na wode nsem bi wada. Sometimes ye hu a na hu asam kan eden. Hwe ye to oman mu ha flagship program 16 no. Baako eye $1 million per constituency. Bisa wo ho. Constituency ben na $1 million aba ho. Na me the pictures bi kire wo hasisi a ebe ya time. Efri boshan ene so ame ntam ha ya. Wo fa fikire ha ya. So ame ne boshan ntam ha. Baby o ma ya astrotef no. Toilet bi a o ma si wo ho o ma say $1 million no. Hey, enti sa ade na egu ho no $1 million. Hey, Usha Dane si hona a $1 million. Uba Achoma Tachimana, a Burani yetu, and ye de standpipe as is so, and yes a Mumbrana Mumbu Honsio, yet $1 million per constituency abohum. For 7 years, so also with the $7 million, ama sa municipalities ne districts is so mofanyum puntu juma. There is no way as a Bura Bakopeno and Yabeka say $1 million no. $7 million as at this time. Enti aban no woni focus hwe asema wo say ka kire esisi ya ne say oye obehwe agenda 111 a review to the extent say esisi ya akora de every 2022 just 2027 was ye wie 5 years time hwe ofam fikire ha ya so ame ha de wo mo so wo de agenda 111 na e polyclinic His Excellency John Dramani Mahama started ye ana also wo be na emi no agenda 111 enti se wo ye sa na da we de kire binom baby omukọ kate sword no kra say agenda 111 no mba be no mu wie ya no msesa nete ne abo ne de ka ho nyina na we enti aban no woni commitment o hwe yankonko hwe ade a wo so wo frɛ no one village one dam no one village one dam ben no mati ni baby obetimi tiginam no a kire say we de amena bi eda hadada o amena manho bi na bi eda ne baby no akwa koginam say wa na agenda 111 agenda 111 na he fa na wo a eye dam a wo mudi so mfaso yes so mo fanya agricultural production he fa na agricultural production out of that agenda one sa one village one dam no ebi ni baby a o ka one district one factory a ade a wa ya ne se obeduru ho a o se kasapreko mesi Nana Danko Akufo-Addo baby ne tipin du ekoba se sa bre na wofo so na no se uhu nsu a kansu uhu sa kansa no na ye kasapreko si kwada so hono nyene nanso wo se kasapreko agenda 111 in what sense de pa na waye edi mpuntu aba ade a nka wo se sa industrialization itimi ye boa ye ne se ebema ye import no eso ate nanka ye export momu adoso enu nti wo man kasa document ne se wo mu ba besi ginger factory e wa Atwomangwa Beja me pa che o fa cameras ne ko bisa Atwomangwa Beja for say he fa na sa ginger factory nesi fa cameras nako bebi ni anwa so be kwai nako bisa sa ehinfa na cocoa processing factory na anana do dan kwakufu ado so obesi wo agenda 111 ase no esie enti enya de se wo mu ye mpuntu djuma bi na de amayo flash program keke watu ne din one village one dama enye papa emu bie ni ho no ma wo ye ni yie enu ti na free education ayaka ho asem obi nka se free education nye wo enu ti na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama start ye no na wo community day secondary schools ni ma obi antu aka pre e wo school mu ho osama mo English math science textbooks at the end of the day wo so waje ato ho so no problem baby aye boarding facilities so o mo ntu boarding fees ni de account no problem but sika e wo se wo de ko ho no fa ko oil sika ana ye de sampuntu djuma no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so aye hihye de ato ho se oil sika na ye ba be no ye wo bi a ye de tu aye ho aka ene ne esla na ye de tu aka 2021 no eno akiri ye wo sinking fund na mokofa mu sika as at the time I na $500 million in the dem mokofa asem de ye free water and free electricity at the end of the day enso kra mpo no Auditor General abeka kire se sika ni nyina mawia because aduane amose moto ma nipa 2 weeks no kra no enya de se sa aduane no mpo yahunu ehun receipt eni ho usi free water light bill ni ho a kire se ampani ampa me yesa free water we e de bae enti no eye krono na aban we de waye na adwene se obebo oman no but se si a IMF aba no ana IMF mu ebe tenetene wa kwan bi kakra se masa pe bebia na nka wo kono menko ho afde fa ha enti IMF mu na afde nyansa na omo ka ho asem se omo kwagide aba no afde omo kwagide aba enti ene ye free SHS wo matete apansam no to the extent se wo ma be ka kire se o nkwara na twa no wo ma ankasa ka kire ye se IMF afde wo ho de ye ntimi ntwantro tipo nkosofo ana ye de omo pia bonten
Nuruddin ena yate nenkano meka wo se Mira Salam akra ona etwofo panyi edema CPP American Asante Mantemu watenase mame nkwa ne nchen na memusa no se fiempo etesei Mira efie bako de
me adom efie bako me setting ko me masipa
da otwedi ampass se ode neso acheye yo nana
Edwana ba
yentie wai Nuruddin akapi
Edwana ba Menua Nuruddin eba kasafidie so a ye won conform yensa ye ne omo kasa
okay
so ta say conform yensa na ye ne omo kasa no one bako ewonim de chen
okay
ana bako ye ne omunim de ne ye den eyepe ena bako nso ono de wonim hwe
okay
nti de ye beka no eno no befa no de ayede
okay
ono so edenam nti ye betena kasafidie so a yesi ye educate manfo so what I say na ya yeden ya say entertain wo mu nti obetena ha na sa atro no ubedi wo ha ye mu bidi ye ntumi ndi sa atro no ye nim enko
okay
ye wo the difference between approved and ye wo the difference between commits
okay
ukra phone google per the synonym for commits commit in meaning say my pledge me show bo say me the bed
pema
and approved meaning say my head magiatum it is obika committer doesn't mean say akwako bobo say
ndi sa kontu na ba umi akọ ewo ko no kwa
eba in the 7th parliament more document bi wa
okay
from a parliament loans treaties
okay
and conventions signed by the 7th parliament
okay
loans Akufo-Addo ajinyina from 2017 to 2021 there is no place a wom a just say yaje 15 billion our China ho
okay
4 billion
2 there is no a yibi wo the 7th parliament yinimu I just say yakwa je 4 billion our China ho
okay
please but na ka say fidie so amaka kire o yemfa no kure speak
And this idea can carry and free him.
Joy News.
City Online.
City. Other media houses in so far.
Okay.
Yeah, the City News na ko.
Okay.
Yeah, the City News na kwaje bosia ble Ghana.
This is woman credible.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
Baby ase wo kwaje bosia. O man na show Ghana mamra na show say, e wo say kwa hin.
Amra she bedwa ni fie ho.
Ana amra she bedwa no so, o mon krata wo ho no nyina bosia bi ekufu ado abanyage from the year 2017 to 2021. Ewom bibie ni ho a kire say sade no. You have no idea. And you sit here say me famano. Ukasa wo nim. Please, ukasa na me wa ha. So what I say, ube yedi ntro na wutwa no, ene ye kire wo baby a fact and figures wo. Di ye kom na nkasa. So what I say, Diametra ha me da Ghana for. You think say you movie or short memory so. Any short memory. So to the make sure.
Okay.
Ebio. I say MPP fo akase. IMF no okwa meaning say wunim nyansa. Mebwa.
Yeah.
Ye catch them NDC for based on say na aturenchen bien serious say.
Okay.
Na world pandemic bien serious say. The world economic crisis bia maye. The world economic outlook no na ye kusu ye.
Okay.
Mokra IMF na say me na IMF catch them. IMF stating it clear. Say yes. One this for a internal mismanagement.
Okay.
Na dem about IMF. And the IMF back room ho be hwe yen krata mu no. O ko na aseme no kan. O se nye ekufu ado aban. O se nye ekufu ado aban na de sa ho kire we ya de abeto Ghana for so. And then 1 year Pepe John Mahama ko Harvard School in the US. Come on lectures. O se this COVID-19 and this crisis abeha Africa. And they can't about Africa. So I say Africa economy. And Oza oba when him na gu ase do ma num asem kura ebufo. So ta say do ma num kura asem ayi den ebufo. Obi a wo ngo fie bia engogo sade we do ma ne koka o US. Or say COVID has shattered Africa economy. And for that matter, it just debts on African continent. And now what say yes we call IMF. IMF muko hono omusi mu na munum nyansa. Because at range miezi e da na ode o man Ghana bre say yen mebu man ma. Sa na IMF catch NDC you. So that say but na IMF ba ano o se da bi ekufado ye hu nneoma papa na wo ye from 2017 to 2019 2020. Until for that matter external shocks. And a day sa ahoche we ade abeto Ghana for so. But ye be ye afamu die bia. Say you remember the Ghanaian economy now. Na Akufo-Addo buying a building in the year 2017 to 2019-2020. No, you remember na bounce back. Into sika home open. You be share near the ede. You the ama wo. And no matter say amode ye de. Ema ye no. It is the difference between MPP and NDC no or IMF no. Bako a pure internal mismanagement.
Okay.
Which is NDC. And bako a result of the external shocks. Na dia ye wo mu kra say. Mo NDC mo ko IMF no. It take him almost 2 years and san IMF agiatum. Less than 6 months. NPP it secure sade we. Who tipani?
Na bosia na wo kwaje na.
Yes, I was here chira wo mo say yes. And you tipani because who weapons no bibie no esi ye. Atureje misie. Atureje mi no esi ye. But who peja o man no come IMF. But abai we atureje mo ni nyina no. IMF hu aka say yes. External shocks. It's your best. Amaya would P. And I'm not going to say 29 countries in this Africa continent. And I call IMF for a bailout. Yeah, I'm going to fire Mudi Champa. I read this Ivory Coast here. Almost secure $2.6 billion in IMF. Just last month. Ukraine has some to IMF approved $15 billion at my Ukraine. And then you sit here. Unima sema oka. And go to Chasatron. You're criticizing NDC heavily on this IMF issue because of say not to range him yan then and my to NDC you have funny MPP. So to say when it comes to economic management, NPP is far better than the NDC. Timunya is handsome na wedding. Moke kakekano. A be of free senior high school. Ose. Na free senior high school no. Yen de akoma IMF say enkra no muntumi ntwa na omo ye ti bonko so na de ende. Hey me ka kire mo. Da ben MPP ko IMF ko kasa asem ne kire wo mo. Please, chaso. Twitwa won sam so. So ta say, John Mahama no one ye free SHS no. Na enkra no performance dey say. Massa chat.
Etiana Yemisa say how government intend to review free SHS and other social and friendship programs.
You review free SHS now. You review say young the thinking of the NDC, you know. Say you can't free senior high school everywhere. There be the new Democratic Party led by your mama want to sir. Also no 2 billion on function school.
Nah, okay.
Ebio or say Nyansen nim say the free senior high school nebeba. Or say it is unwise to implement free SHS at all cost. John Mahama say la sula la free SHS no ebe collapse. Na sa papa we aka sansem we akire wo. O say ono ba free senior high school no ayesuso amadaye no. Ono onyin free o.
Okay.
But twe me se Ghana for ya nye steady. Ne kodani to me hye sankofo we nsa. Your mama free SHS no ba no o say nyame na me wo no be frɛ ne he wo twem pa. Next na teacher training allowance what pa be is annual when you free. So what I say. It's a free senior high school no. You review at the better particulars I had account. You did to me say free senior high school challenge. It's brano no. You review say free senior high school no be e be gina brane. Hey adodan kwaku fado say me ma kura bia ntena Ghana ha say enka sesi kase munti. Mentumi anyede, mentumi anko school. Akufado say wontumi anko kura no. And yet we senior high school.
Okay.
No one is in it here. Yeah. And a free SHS no and then baby am kraneda. And krano da he. Wo pension to me the free senior high school and na me kote ya o se John Mahama e se free senior high school ate na free senior high school day school no na untua kapre. En kasa asem ni biom. En kasa asem ni biom. Please. Oh yeah, wo ni me me na na jemi walking evidence of Sanyo Manaya Mokano. I stop Santrono. Metumi akatrom obi a owie school 2014 2015 2016 omo be fra kacho say asem na wo ka no boa please dai o kika no unim ne wo kika na enwe ho dai wo start here ben sika say na mo di shemu tire sika mo di shemu what are you talking about unim ne wo kika o jina na be dey say John Free Senior High School community day school no plan mo si say community day school mo si say ka kire ye. You sit here now, Baba. You did the officer. I'm craving it. Casafidi is one. A pure or say agenda 111. A danko dada BB 9PP for you. So be me any fra for atom. So what I say? I'm saying this for no money a free fra. Money a free fra. And I said no cry na monka. The Kamuka no clear. What in her? And truck I say what they say, baby, I could just sword no. I got cat sword no. O must send nyoma nyine free o assassinate da hopra dada unka no kre hey politics near yen kan hu say hey dachi bia na atemu da ho maye kan kre
politics mo hu say atemu wo ho
I was so kan kre because ukwa trader no almost completed. You sit here say who ye dia you are a lazy communicator. You are armchair communicator. What if I go near autopilot and you feed you information? Yes, a coca say, ye wooshi, no better. Go to appear to Kokobi in a foreign constituency. Quanagosha project no be well coso. Azane Kalabule for this for. Would the moon be, would the baby was a moon here? It's a doctor Binamo. Who's it from? Awesome. If you $1 million per constituency. What you cruma? Unim the concept of this $1 million per constituency. You sit here and you sit toilet and don't go $1 million per constituency. One constituency I want or be one ambulance. Constituency be a one Ghana ambulance. Me boa catch me please. And the fire station be no omuni sa fire tenders be.
Okay.
What are you talking about? In Suya yes, there's a class who see one yes in you. And your project back on here this is Ghana you.
Okay.
Go to Bosomche. Bosomche, for example, about $1 million per constituency. No, Oko Bosomche, a yes, them near Siwana. Marco build the ultra modern library or a hostel. See, a Bosomche. You use one district, one factory, one district, $1 million per constituency. You have no idea about this concept, and you sit on this big platform to lie. Say $1 million, me who so who ambulance na kawanitu. So what I say? So who say? Please, who got to talk on Chifuna ambulance back room? Yeah, who talk on Chifuna ambulance back room? Yeah, if you one district, one factory. Radinya Gopo. Oh, send this for kind of monkayu. Kind of monkayu. Me say, you better go to a casasem, yeah. One district, one factory. What the concept, and I say? Hey, Kokai manifesto. Oh, Kokai and Wasamba Bium. Because I want district, one factory, no. What's the one concept, and I say, oh, because I tried to say the Okaza. Ye manifesto is stating it clear. We are going to partner with the private sector.
Okay.
We are going to partner with the private sector. And then, and young one who jury say, Mobetna so few or king. Montreal and factory Samusi Wokroma. 8 years, factory Samusi Wokroma. And Obiaba will partner with the private sector. And then factories in Ghana has over 120 factories. Ashanti region, Kwano, over 50.
Mami ko Mira Abdul Salam Isa ho.
And also Mami Kanjiro, go to Prefos. I want you so. I just want to go to 3. Skyline Limited, and also was our this one. Okay. But same class Spring and Boats Limited. So to say, as a friend saying, was some Chihono, Covesta oil, Nisa, and your money. You sit here, wait. Robert Nakas video, so you are not prepared.
I know
the issue is MPP, your best share. Emma, all these flashy programs, no, a giraffe blaming. The Etosini, your best shane, a friend saying, your best shane, a day, so that Mugana Fono, Mohobetomo, and yet this is for a come as
Manager at the Nediano SC, Mamiko Mira, Abdul Salam Ho, Accra, a some near me, fa Nimino, na Yamausi Mano Bear say, Dunumuko Jun, who baby, no, not Yamfa. Now, as I'm the IMF for a review of flashy programs. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, I think we are doing about America and Chia, a tier for in a Ajanqua 101.9 FM. So, Namin Chamania, Nordine, Niminian and Naji, Namin Chawanzona, Rashid Ne, Michel and Michobia. Mamisha Kuyan Chemi party my CP before in especially Regina Chaman Chamangalo. Mabaha, a friend saying, so I'm conscious of Minchia Alhaj on the constituency chairman, Nirukaya, Hajarukaya, women organizer, and Suleiman, the original organizer, and Metrovia. IMF, the embassy, TSA number 1 is IMF in we talk as if say, yeah, we IMF. You see, the ICN say, we have agreement with international finance institutions. She said, what do you condition precedent? Okay. Condition. The friends say, my review. So when you present condition
I think
your condition I was say Osha and son of this canama and conditions and condition subsequent. Your condition precedent and condition subsequent.
Okay.
Now condition precedent in say idea also we and sign this canama. Condition subsequent idea we are bra this canama we also to us. Now IMF deal now. A condition precedent in say I was a debt exchange. Debt exchange mean your domestic debt exchange. And I want
exchange now. The same mean we na no
I feel about external.
So okay.
Domestic we no. It means save almost 29 billion Ghana cedis. Now my debt 139 billion which ye structure the bit by a friend say restructure once in a year. I'm say 120 billion or so. A year, no, it means I say by 29 billion. According to finance minister, say people are oversubscribed. About over 85% at GDP 92 and Tiabuano. Now, I'll show you external debt and it's also a restructure because the IMF a person only way and say from a ne a could do in few numerous. And what's our debt to GDP in 80 from 84% and about 55%.
Okay.
A cow, you know, Nisika yen ye o mem ha ina ye juma ye gross domestic product
yeah
I was say 84% can na 104 ye DDP no ni ada dollar ni depreciate here na ba form about 84 because ye kana ye kosoro kase no me chichemu say ye kana kosoro kase no ye ni na say ko bobusu
okay
wako bobusu $1,000 tama ko bobusu na dollar e be 8 cedis and the dollar no could do 11 cedis o calculate in Ghana cedis monso anka 8,000 also to say akwa
11,000 okay okay
but dollar now between the $1,000 na
yeah
nemum emre bia dollar no cedi no be kosoro bia no wo local domestic debt no anam ga say in your local currency no skaro kosoro
okay
sara eti bo from so ada ho ato enti emre bia be do 104% by the mere adoma is cedi no who said cedi no could do be 40 cedis at the time and then I'm
15 cra
yes and then I'm 11 cedis and the amount debt no so at tiaba 84%. Now I'm just say by 5 years time no I'm in a baby program no I was a yakaidi na no to GDP be no and timba me do 55%. Na se beti do 55% ah e na maka kra bia also one of it ni say I was a what a car that was no so. Kwame na faso ati o car so and I say ko ya dia friend domestic debt exchange and I say friend say debt restructuring. Say o sika na Canada also no position fufuro. Na ye ko na ni de domestic for no domestic ye krofo o mo Ghana for a and as a confirm boy locally because domestic exchange you know domestic debt in the Nipu you Ghana for Ankasa indigenous or my and they are from the residence Ebia Bruni be our hotel bruchi name wabeto ye treasury bill or Ghana
yeah okay
total near $1.43 billion no kwano and the domestic exchange no you include some of be
okay
I'm here non-residential FSA creditors. And you say we also acquire external.
Okay.
When Kuano intimacy can also mafum. External is $30 billion.
Okay. Oh, external.
Oh, external. $30 billion. A woman creditors are external. You're from bilateral creditors and they are commercial creditors.
Okay.
Bilateral creditors on my like China, like Britain, like Germany, on my boy Busia. On your from bilateral creditors. You're mine about Busia. On okay Europe phone in America phone boma you're from the Paris Club plus China because China me a member of Paris Club they be a kind of Paris Club plus China
no dey o jabran
and over commercial creditors na e conform to Eurobond Eurobond the bond that ya bie a turn in currency and your currency and then just say euros and it could be dollars but your turn bond in a currency and your minor currency.
Okay.
But we are talking in safer, but we still call it Euro bond.
Okay.
And here this is Euro. And you say also a corner your domestic phone, external phone, bilateral, a casa, ne commercial phone casa. And then say bilateral no quite the 16 point something billion dollars. China 1.7 billion. In other countries like Kakao. Now Ushe Amuina China the other soon 1.7 billion. Enti ne pese China etin de no so
okay
we China tin de so ba ebia we don face China kwati $700 million afro so abafo
yeah
ntabu ko no o ka se China ana na omo twetwe omo na so asombe ye President Akufo-Addo etu kwa ko America me so ka ya when America focus didn't come na China ka chese o say that time no omo ka chese omo ye omo 1 year festival 1 month festival amu enti omo ne ntimi nhia because also China a purely communist country.
Yeah.
And so mu accountability na. And say dey na yentimi yen sa no. Omu dey no. 1 month and abane di she obia.
Okay.
And the minister, a regional minister, obeto almost all the constituency. No man for kasa. Aranda kanta chomo the mine Washington region. That is purely communist government.
Okay.
MPB be ko the constituency. No man tenase adia nkoma ko ebia brono no ma kasa. And the woman use 1 month na ye. And I'm so many intimate and really such because almost a fashion and as a activity. Temra Mampani a call America. I couldn't kita obi na muso no ka say o Mampani e committing who more to America. Yes ada investment amu in Africa no. Gara who be chiro. And I want to buy a statement say oh ye car ye di omo no. Omo be bibia fa ho. Meaning say am beti ya kare so am. free one okay say o mampani na nkasa ko Germany ka Germany for say mun kasan China
yeah
omo ya no ene China ka so mete bibia o ma bibia fa mini so mete ya ka so ma ene na say ya Paris club so ka so Ghana yate even IMF na kasa lobby mai yeah ene Paris club so ka say ye beti bibia free so ababo say the bible be ha mo the anunti ene timi di ya ade afa no board approval.
Okay.
Staff level agreement. Staff level agreement, management, day-to-day management agreement. I know my name. Answer now. I am a bit too. I can. This one your board approval.
Okay.
IMF board. Nankasa okay. Say you to sikari say na ebitua. Enti yetimi yesa we no. Na IMF ka say. And I'm saying who channel do also organ anti. Oma approve. First 600 million embra. The next 600 million coming in November. But answer the 600 million by November no. I was a external debt negotiation.
Okay.
A flagship review, which I will come to that. So now, external debt, China has some maybe I found, Paris Club some maybe I found. Send on Ben, I feel no how to say. Say, Sicano, a car demo. Now, oh, Coron, what is your proposal?
Okay.
When nobody and commerce or I say, your debt restructure, won't pay me answer.
Yeah.
Your debt to equity swap, your interest payment renegotiation. Nina idea friends ye di share ye ma e debt to equity swap say met me ka say adua na medoka obom busia na me die mejuma medoka say adua na bebe akuru die
mintimintia
na me mejuma na me wono mo na me bebere wo ha me die ejuma e bia met me ka say me ka ba ko ejuma me no e say aye wo dia
okay
sales na be ba wo so e say aye wo dia fa so o kana me di no Mr. Ashi. And if I know debt to equity swap. So what by one of the equity holders in my company. You know what I mean? Who equity holders say, who share?
Who share? Who
they would a bush and above and share. And they interest payment negotiation. And they say, oh, Sikain cost me doing 1,000 this month. But month with the million. And therefore to be able to see idea anymore. But and suddenly all they find a haircut.
Okay.
Haircut na buy a
year now.
And they say, yeah, Kono. We don't even know China or major two because any are difficult than a domestic.
Okay, external.
External difficult. Because external no. So 1 year into more, a 1 year into more. It means one share commercial market. Ube sofa.
Okay.
Next time we be a rubonda.
Be a few.
Because and now we are toy no. When she share no year China and koyi. And they also tell and say, who are their friend sovereign default. So better no me because of miniska. A man of Castle to India. Name foreign we almost are any a more conditions are audio and drew. As this I could declare or man say we are bankrupt.
Okay.
As I want you to say, who know, we sick at the better. So a hollow adding. And the Casanke chairman, I call we are Cascanica my. So I may do my plan to negotiate here. China Castle, baby be found. Paris Castle, baby be found. And IMF so okay sanitary ya mamu this tranche of 600 million mudia kana mun ko di un kita by November
yeah
na mun first kana mare ina gas kita one minu your domestic one credit is not that and your flagship programs are bye they say they abide also ko say okay trust no mo unless you measure ya trust next week so China 1.7 billion send am to samai now room aba say e bia na ko debt to equity swap. And they say,
"Honey, between a quay."
Every muka, some also.
Hey, yeah.
China, Beji,
yeah. Oil, cuckoo, both sides, cooming.
Now, Usha, cocoa, and yellow crack. Cocoa, the dear, Sa DB.
Yeah, see.
Your friends of collateral loan. I dare say,
syndicated loan.
I did no, a collateral.
Collateral, okay.
I don't know, and idea. Down
okay.
James, you are 70% of our money here, and it was our down. And the Adiaka, Usha energy sector as well. I'm doubting such an magic because most of the energy sectors, you know, a loan.
Okay.
Loans or gas. We who's a gas, China, one of Kojiska, and the most. Or a triable gas.
Yeah.
I don't know where we are finished paying. So how come some magic? And I still doubt this report. So I got to work with equity debt swap. So I got to operate equity debt swap already can change losing. Ghana the option back up on board. And moreover, the China experience in Zambia. Is it Zambia or Gambia?
Zambia.
I must say, no, equity debt swap, human.
on pay won
because what is not guaranteed. Why you say now equity debt shall not be equal? Because our agreement I don't you've lost. But the same side democratic government so I hope and pray say you better opportunity better than because some years I because some years I, for example, more for electricity. What is going to happen is all the proceeds of electricity profit you about
China.
Maybe I bet you I say 20% and 30%. The profit you going say.
Yes, say.
Me no say abaye institution.
Obiya me mukura
unu so now be profit say the everybody says for government to meet a certain percentage of proceeds and a profit amount also increase the electricity bill me no do. What you say?
Yeah.
Say abaye ebia emfaso 100 million a year. And onya from electricity. Eno ka chacha say bia iye bia no be di electricity be collateral and I bet that equity swap for next 20 years. Now maximum amount 40 million a year. Now aban who say me 40 million ma electricity a year bia
60 million
in renovation in there. For government to meet that 40 million no also increase the bill. Me etua
na wa chesa 40 million kwa ma ye.
Say na akwa say bia iye bia be 140 million and 150 million. Say na you 140 million na chana. 100 million na or be there be so here. And that will bring burden on us. And I want you burden.
Timemu fosu ehuna mane pa o.
Oh, who say I have catch say she say better be use idea for automatic adjustment. Emerald this bo because of repair
ebetum.
Fuel bo because of repair
ebetum.
Because government shouldn't absorb anything. It boils down to one thing. I dare for fiscal consolidation. Oh, Brazil, oh, yes, oh, physical baby. Now what?
No, what title better?
Because you are audience.
We
more on top of this salad about
which I
said about Obeyeska. Now, would you have cow that also by 5 years time? Who can also be about 55%? I did hope so. What
Matthias,
and this is happening everywhere in the world. China, Namuni and Nigeria. But I did become a kind of a church and say, we are saying so. China, France, Cote d'Ivoire, IMF. Oh, we are many countries are IMF at under what conditions? What was it? In a Kobusia, who's a miniature?
Yeah.
Any minute this is we are the child. So you teacher, me know wage work flat staff house now.
But then the mammy net to the mammy.
Me for power. First, me the say apart from this, our adjustment. Well, remember, and teacher Kobusia, you got salam, we them see me, oh, with the me age. So we are a teacher. We will see me a special assistant to chief of staff. We are over in finance.
You start to my family.
Very high.
Okay.
Because we age man. And tell me, Scana, Busia, very high.
Okay.
They said the likelihood of me to an air higher than who are we age man. So say about condition with more tightening than who would the other age man. And they say, they look at our GDP, our economic standard, we are doing now only among conditions. Ebia, what of column, Abidjan, and our Cote d'Ivoire conditions in the area.
Okay.
So sometimes we must understand all this. And sign out back as IMF, but condition look at him say, yea, Sika AG na say at the end of the year, revenue mobilization year. For compare revenue mobilization to our debt ability to pay, over 40%.
Okay.
Sky Bayano, 40% and in the due debt. If we are say the woman in your cry 11%. Say Sika way nano, a cabin to every year, just 11% of Sky way. But in Ghana, more than 40%. And it's a buying 100 million a year, or buying 45 million in the other car. So if 45 million in your car, sell it to your wages and salary. Send it to the road. It means that we take somewhere there. To be able at least all the photograph interest of the bed or the balance.
Okay.
So that is one thing. Now, what they're saying is we should also do a flagship program. I'm going to catch say LEAP, school feeding.
Yeah.
I'm going to say me and find something. Because a policy here, a pro-poor policy, and it is relieving the poor in the community. And you see, my phone, the move and say, you have a toy. More here for no mobile. As our bed now, I want to. Now, me, since I say free HS, I said, free research is one of the finest policy ever in independence. Since the independence, in your policy, better than free research. And I'm saying, for the public, your legacy, your biggest legacy. And then I do why I did. You have more free researchers, even in 1,000 years to come, you have money. But there are challenges with free researchers. You see, civilized and as a developed world, most of the country don't have boarding.
Oh yeah, you do.
You don't want to feed the student.
Yes,
feeding is very expensive. And the American will be able to go secondary school, I'm on the boarding, but hostel. So who parent to us and person better call hostel? Go and seek agreement with the management of the hostel. No matter agree say me ban e call bia Massachusetts school hostel lady me metua one na ha ne duane obetua so one cup of tea. No abide the school free no go fee. Because offer and feed the area. If assume say secondary school for you bia you feed them say city multiply by over 100,000 students.
Okay.
And the whole Ghana about 600,000 students. You see, spending on the free researchers is over 11 point something billion. Out of that, 85% are feeding, meaning over 8.5 billion in the 12 animal need.
Okay.
So 8.5 billion is almost $1 billion. What it means is say to me review na feeding the free man about who behind them usually.
About no feeding a man could have go school.
No, it's not true. Look, I said this and I will keep it saying. Those who advise and now go for researchers, I advise in well, but on feeding and I'm feeling. Because when you're in a school, maybe go to school, because at my secondary school, from 1995 to 1997, all the way secondary school. Many subsidiary in he's in my classroom because my classmates in that. Those days, the entire young school, he say, you have school fees.
Yeah, and then they major challenge.
I want to book a man. Maybe I want to hear about school Apache na. Utakina, but for me, at Nati, who's we a senior on a school church, was Utakina or Twina and Apache Party to the school. What you asking? How many times will you meet a Korase and the local school? I say, come to me. If anything among it's a family name to me, and show Madia. A moment when I'm coffee, 5 kilos of Mokonwana. Yes, so it means the main thing among Colantim school fees, books, uniforms. And government is providing all these things. So what next? Obiankude. And now, courtesy of friends, e-blocks near other schools are see almost every constituency have minimum of 2 schools. Secondary school.
Other UBCs and crown ye days, I know I am not Dishano and Tissa school.
You see, the entire Grumadi board and by at that time was to kill this Rabatin. Because the independence when they had Chemo, same as the news at 10 years, 10 years as they say, and can say, no, Bridget Garbon. You mix it, Open School, you will learn my tradition. And I may culture, I will learn your culture. By the time we free school, I will understand you, you understand me. And there is that time, national service. Yes, national service, quite a regime be. Intimate, can I say, Alu Mama is a product of Prempe. If not for that, Alu Mama, the free tamale, ever Prempe boy.
Okay.
You understand me? Those days, you know, they were mix, and that's why you got to know for. What do I say? So, you should understand yourself when you are growing because reservations are a perception and deepening into a quality more and collaborate. It is very difficult to erase it. Okay?
Yeah.
So the reason was not to go and learn, was to just mix. So say you develop your team once a week. So you like I say, you go back today. Who are person who about it? Go and negotiate with the school. Okay. As for feeding, but mostly 80% of commercial voice. But it for them back up Prempia, Namako. It's a dozen of Prempia, Namako. Take a visit, and I just went for met my day, Namaba. Maybe the Prempia hostel. I'll go and pay for the hostel for feeding and everything, Namako. But government, I remember books, I remember uniform, mean to school fees.
And government say, I know they are hot about.
Every save government cover top. Totally, every year the government will not need more than 800 million or something. But since the fees is by every year we spend more than 2 billion. Because of feeding. So I believe that this flagship program has reviewed. And any failure on free researchers, nobody will say the fact that we've removed feeding, I have failure. If you MP and this general campaign against Akufo-Addo, then they are not sincere. Because they know say economically is eating into our coffers. And they know omukura side of it. And this will be any result relief in the bar. We won't accept it. I dare MPP say MPP are taking free SHS as their finest legacy. It's true. As their best legacy. It's true. So Omufi say anything that about the Sabaka free SHS a failure on their part. Why? A more political reservation against it. But the point is that you know to say the pa. Or man will be a new Sabi or because say or free SHS at the bottom because every household will be school free.
Yeah.
And to say that you say at the party, I didn't end up penny. Yes, you ain't tell VBR for it. And I buy a particular so what is feeding even in a shame. Career efficiency. Let's commit ourselves. It is better we take some cost to make it more effective than we put all the costs on government for it to feed.
Okay.
Zambia, people are going to private secondary schools. Even in this country, say a proper researcher. You are a friend, say basic school. IDF secondary private school. There's a term for it. FQ. Yes, so a compulsory basic universal basic education. Uncle say, and among for the private schools than public schools because there is also form. What I say, and I'm sure the same thing will be replicated into SHS. About the Mirabam can send me videos and you are not. What I say, about the Mirabam can send to uniform, my uniform. So it's better to say we take some of these things out, not penetrate and absorb, not by making it more effective. Okay. And that will also save our coffers. And bear, you free friends say IMF we are. Yes, I'm go back to IMF view.
Who say we last IMF?
Say if you're very prudent, we can stay away from IMF sometimes. But you're prudent, I beg you. I bet you are here. Yeah, because you're not conscious every 3 years we are going to IMF. To one as I say. Yes, I call another story.
Mira Abdul Salam Isa, 1 year show for Penny de CPP as Antimatimu 0204 905655 0596 24 89 59. But Pacho would do the Babia Casafi Wadaruma. Mira
Wadaruma, your friend Junior Baumia
Manso Antoine de Second Congo.
Win me. I'm a DC Honorable Leno. His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Muhammad, Sitting Katia, Alhaji, Ego Smith, Ewo, Ghana Ginsuru, Baumia. Let me tell you after the Kazun Cancer came to me. I don't know about the Biamaka Salam. Yana Casa, I am a day. Okasa Kamapa, Enche, or Obuhun Hine, no about MPP. Because how can you MP for the attack? Salam, every show at it, and MP do Channel. And I tell you, I say, for education day, Abba Ghana, the friend Abba Ghana. Oh, sir, former President Mahama, my own say, a baby, 20 years. One was a crowd here. Oh,
no, actually, but you did maybe I got a few Adaroma.
Good morning.
So we are Miramijoso.
Welcome to say.
Go part of Nasway.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, my education minister, said the Chamodino Coquapia Socha, no Masacha, Honorable Manaf Ibrahim, as was a constituency on Nevada. Again, about one pre education seminar, Yakan. That is I am a reviewer. You should be a bit in a review, I'm an Alconkai, because NBC, they are more or more, if you Papa and my pre education. Because since day one, we are advert almost 40-something advert 8 years policy. Into Omudia, Omuka Bibukura a pound, Nankomu, Sena Mupena, Omubo, because Omuda we are 40-something advert 8 years policy. Into Omuni Papa Biama pre education. We are means more.
Mo, Yada Sempacha, would you maybe a Casafi Wadaruma?
A Dianaba or no dreaming.
Asali Bay.
Yao, a Dianaba. The world is the minimum because I'm a boss about me, communication officer. Again, about free education is my year come once a month. Kaka, a balance will be with you. Why not doing what would you do as you are own to the area? And a double. Again, about free education, and if you engage free education, anything that you are doing, the man in Mahama. The man of finance will buy, so then we do free education. MPP, we have the men,
next review any cancellation and no about the education system no so should be a diana bania and come near Daman and education no be collapse and you are done any for papa open education papa 2024 when you go for NDC near my papa you review you need done a format now there be a talk many education system no and you come and you found of idea only papa diama education system and then about family
mo yada se but you din ba bi akasa fi wada ma
Ediana ba
mira
about you want to say
yango padmo na so e
yango padmo ye pa
na boku ye ntie we
ya na boku na bo yango pon sha pa wai amentia abaja fo nyina mo badma ko pon sha mo amentia yura alan kojo trematen Mercedes but don't do her on fanamla mo se ko pa ne ko pa do yana so na ka fo ko ti na ma ntia obia na Ediana ba e ka no papa de MPP hwe nta ko mo fu ahwe ila baswa party no so si so party no o mo se ko nyama no it must say Ghana for e na o na education na ba no de e kana pa de mo message say yamma yeni ko yi because afet headmaster for bi ha adwene de na ba bi ha adwene pa e bi ya de bi di jama post bi hu hia oh na we but my fee we so bi ya de so e said me free na fa de me se na ha adwene that's a bad so
ya da wasipi pache udi ba bi akasa fi wada roma
o tu fo nyankopon na so bi nka wa no pe
nyame akwa kofi buache se so de na obutu asundwe bi nka mi wa
woni mi de nyame nka yo o so ahema mu ho adwuma so de ho bo ma me ntia ni nia madam for Saddam me so madam for no because I am the fa aha me bon pa so beba align camp no be adwuma ma Yura John align ko je trematen aka Alancash police station executives and I said constituency executives ni MMDC ni DC and nam Asian Crawford say Monto Abama way na obi si aduru ni so munim si obi si aduru ni so dia John Alan ko je trematen ono na aduru ni so Saddam Mr. ya campaign man na me ko meni no Ediana ba no kwase ma tinye bia ni woni se free senior high no me hu se review mo a eye every day tankura ni bi di kono 40 50 plus and the ade no in fact I know den e ma san kola ni bi wo ko e hu so munye serious afei ye betini ama awofo ni bi awofo no ato me friend say uniform by bus school fees ni bi government ni fa e bi no so obi betini aye ne de obi betimi twa school fees ai na so penifo say e pokwa wo nsuo togum e na afei wi no so e say enke ye gia tu na peni ai course fo no abo ato ogu na me de pa fi say ye mamu akwate say ye ntu mu mpodie na nke be gia tum ene nke yawu me da say
mo yasu ya da say pacha wo ye last caller udin ba bia wo ka safi
Ediana ba ma chebru
akura be yuso
lukman ye
yanko pa no na so e
nyame dom so yantia tenka boni bia Amentia George Obeti Amansia West Mesebegani Fene Jumawura Michiano na Francis Usu Chan Prempon Dabe so mechi akese pani unimunyam for John Alan Kwajocha Mati de Yemiesha no ya wabedi na nadan kwa kufuado adeto 25 na etieni tuwe bi na me ka nia afi esejesa yesi ba be review wo mu no eye no kre ye chinie bi ni minu ye okasa hihie ye kofi che se obi ho no pa na wakwa ni grade wakwa ko yi woni man anano kro Colombia ho branch okro secondary school O2 woni se ye bu se ni di gra wontimi ntwe myself ni di wonu ani di wontimi ntwe so okro secondary school na ye koya na fe bai no wo fie me fie me nkura private no moko omuko school kanti facilities bi facilities na say aban school kura school feeding e no kura sika kura no e se nu wangano e pesos na say omuko no omuko kudi bi ade ni free na say ho kura e ho nsema bibi basa masa say ye ka say be review no yenye na obi ho betuma tua onkonko tua na ye mwa ma free SHS no e di me ka be na sese pa de masa enkoyi ye be ni mu sakraye nti nti review ya kase ba ba ye no mo hwe ne ye and adam ko kuwa do paade ne ye ne bi mo ma mo ne paade ne ye hwe ne nyina ne mwa na saade na ye ne pese ye no
yada wase epi we aye Ghana for adwinche bia aba yenhwe na WhatsApp bi aba we aye area kusi central market ne dia ba say na do ne MPP ene wadi so adi hunu OPK patriotic voices go so no mo tese mahama ne NDC omu ni credibility na we Robi fashion de chemsum no say NDC mpaibo nya so manu be de amagana fo akasa teacher kudwo tepanya susu what they need the ban was say MPP a truly democratic party and Ghana we any here one mom no di Ghana for akasa yewura yeko de na wode ejaye
Ediana ba nyame anim no kure ni se sometimes ne ma ne bi wo ho a ye ka eya na ya adwene ho mienu Ediana ba mesra wo mesra de ba ku sisi ya se obitimi tena se no de nanado danko akufo ado ode ade we tu no ho se nurses training allowance ye tua teacher training allowance ye tua ene de ye ka ho wo bre a Paul Doji National Service or Makwakoye nurses, Akwakoye rotational nurses, Akwakoye for 10 MEMS. Nisika Emma into was hanging in Huakunua. What can Hua comfort? What to honor now decide you will say to
Sikamaya, which are comfort. To the
extent it says, see, I to a Napco Crown over the years flagship program, Amudi 2 or Mohokrano, and then 8-9 MEMS, Yentua Mokawabra, then Yagunu. On the TV. She uko baby ya kan wasa almost say youth afforestation. Abrantia bako o kwada so hodom. Me pese me boni din because of how was you confiding in me. 11 members ni yentu ya muka to the extent say ni fie na was o dan ni brothel. Say ashawo fu obet na and all that. Ama ho asema sorry wo friends of kwada so gidi ya kan ho asem. O say me ni means bia metimi dia survive. Youth only means or the
afforestation dey go
masa enti no say eduru ho na say sa na ma no wo ho no na say ye ka ho asem na enne obiti school feeding ye ka even school free SHS enumu omo supply nuane kura na aseti atua no omo say omo be cost strike and because of that it is what na wana so this ade we tu aban we hu e wa bra e ka wo de amene ye ne yentime nye ye hu bibia se ye nim de ye ka ma me fa ntia soronko enkonko ma me NDC for Washington region na me ntia kwada so yonke des for na
ajay akwa Ghana for kasa ye ko de na dijai
onimi yanka wonim ti so ta se woni omo tu ayirem so obetwa omo allowances mo mo pe na ban bi etua aba no watua from 2017 till nede ya me no ka se wutina san ye dede wonim yanka wonim ti so ta se nti allowances aye nka ho asa tu betra na allowances woni omo tu ayirem no rafi and this form say tu na ma omo gere na ma omo kasa basa so ta se omo say tu na ma omo gere nti de ka kire Ghana for ma peke Nyoma be yishi.
Okay.
Bisa omo. NDC there no dey. We babunu na say mi kwa kodi NDC chi mi kwa kodi NDC chi. Oso no wini a obekọ tuton nkokọ miensa. Obobo nkokobu kakrama. Eno no say edwuma me dey bro. So ta say we edwuma. Na me no ka say wonu so wonim na gu ase no. Mame expose no. Omo deputy general secretary. Evanze Mustafa Gandhi. Kobisa kire no oni akwa oni Alisa Matias di dwapa obu ne fa so in the year 2014 now
okay
uzi uni
salam
uni factor figures
akwa
so that
Ghana for akasa
enya bibu mo betre
okay
so aye edwuma o be how
Alisa Matias wa bona na
oh please
salam fatwa so ne enko
despite of all the challenges egusu ya kwan free Syria has go egusu fund ya light ni egusu aye e wo pese ni nyina gina so e kire pefese ahotre ba ye wa aban mi omutumi
ya salam yentio kana je
ba mesere say aban enhwe na your flagship no program ni look free friends school fee in free na enfa ahotomre say IMF only can sanko on show the to sumionu nursing allowance one of the waste by when you free okra
one going floor
na say no 7 na dey me say no say we see ka ko ye be ye free ho
okay
ye so me no so me ka che kuma ufo say so mo say excavator bi free kuma mo block no aduma no so me wie asa na free
kwana ye peace
tipa bi ana tractor bi a offer kuma wu bia no
omonye ntra
barrier this wie aduma na
say pie ko
omonye barrier kuma kwa no so kabi abetu ka say ena me wie aduma this ye wie kwa no makela ni na asa na tipa ba kokora free kuma wu and this ade be che omo
Vira Abdusalam we tro for pay jima CBP abeko no asante mantima akra ba besom na J Perez Frasta Fasan wono so waba abet abesom ne ma me abekuma se na J na nulidi kasa de ma NDC oba besom ye na ene aye nana dako na woda ese nyankopon bambo edema no se nyame emmo woni na busua nyina eho ban otutu won manamo esiye epa Professor Chumesi ahafano Southwest wo beba ho sem da se bitwani ene eso eye na woda prof baby a obi aye chiam na kodwo nyame chese yemfa awodedie nkratoi emfa emma onwankasa ne maame na apia mum Madam Victoria Cecilia Ejenia say okay Victoria Cecilia Manu Sokoban Roman Catholic ena maame esom wanya 75 years we free oba Richard Jumo and was say yemfa wo dadie nkratoi emma maame yema happy birthday nyame ma wonkwa ene ahoden yes sorry am a DJ BIs e de adwuma mre ato aso amaye mo fidi na ya na